You know, Madam Quality is a very generous woman. She calls everybody to bar. So she has called me to bar today. In case anybody looks for me, tell them I'm at Madam Quality's bar. Ebana tondo manu ne tinyi venisi. Okay,
Papa. Hey, Papa.
Yes.
We want to prepare soup today, Papa.
Oh, yes. I left 1,500 on the table, on the dining table. Please, use it to prepare quality nsala soup. With enough azund, okporoko, isiefi, wanchanototo, wanyatete, and the soup has to be enough to last for a long time. I don't want anybody to disturb me again tomorrow.
How am I supposed to prepare enough nsala soup with enough azundu, ishefi, okporoko, Papa?
May thunder strike that your no mouth. If it won't be enough, why not add your own money? Are you not old enough to be independent? Are your mates not in their husbands' houses contributing to the welfare of their immediate families?
But Papa, if I had money to contribute, will I be asking you for money?
You don't have money, but you have AK-47 mouth. You don't have money. Let me just. Didn't you see me here?
I am sorry, Nai. I just came to share my good news with Odera.
And what is the good news?
I am sorry. It has nothing to do with you.
What is the good news?
Nai, Ifedi, nothing from. I just obtained my.
Is that the good news? So what is good about this nonsense paper you have obtained? Because and I'm quality.
Oninye, please, I'm so sorry. That is the father I have. Papa doesn't care about anything other than his stomach. So what are you going to do now? Doesn't mean you won't obtain your own form? Too bad. Just so happy for you. Thank you. I finally got your voice. Mama, you're back.
Hey, my dear. Uche, you're cooking?
Yes, Mama.
Sister,
how was it?
You don't look your usual happy self. What's the problem? Did you fight with father again?
See, I have no issues with father. It's just that he is not listening to me. He's not paying attention to my dreams. Onyinye was here earlier with the nursing school form and told me about it in the presence of Papa. But he just pretended as if he did not know what we were talking about and completely ignored us.
And why did that surprise you? He has already told you that he is not going to train in school.
But that's not fair. It's not fair. I'm his daughter. He's supposed to train me to any level I want to attain in life.
You're preaching to the Pope. Papa has already told us that the greatest level a woman can attain in life is her husband's home.
That's not funny.
Yeah, Ujunwa, be serious for once in your life. Adam, don't worry yourself. You know, go. We will iron it out with him tonight. You know, go, Wam. I must make sure he gets you the form and see to your schooling. Don't worry yourself. Oh, wait.
Mama, it's not
the final that I know. Anyway, I honestly wish you people good luck. And I want you to succeed. Because me, I also want to go to the university.
Ujuma, go inside. Mama, don't go. The food will soon be ready.
Okay,
I'll bring it for
dear.
you before.
Nani, you shouldn't be saying that. She is our daughter. They are our children. It is our responsibility to train them in school. Oh my God, hey!
Our responsibility. Okay. If I ask you to contribute your own quota, will you?
Of course, I will gladly do that. Are they not my children?
Of course, I will gladly do that. To hit your own the ball. Okay, let me ask you. How are you even going to raise the money to do that?
Now, forget how I am going to raise the money. I am not lazy. Neither are my hands and legs broken. I can walk.
That's what you always say. But at the end of the day, I will be the one doing everything. Now, listen to me. I have done my best for her, seeing her through secondary school education. The best thing for her now is to get married and start contributing to the welfare of her immediate family. Also, when Uche finishes secondary school, she will also get her own husband.
Eh? Papa? Papa, that will not happen, no. It will not happen at all. Because now I want to go to the university also.
Hey! Like when Uche this one wants to go to Mahadum. Eh? Hey, oh no, but which one do you want to attend?
But my name is Chidera.
Is it a lawyering school, nursing school, or doctoring school? Eh? No to Isia.
Are they not your children?
No, I know is that Obanje daughter of Adak who is deceiving you. I know that. I will stop her from coming to this house. In fact, any other day I see that girl with this...
Papa, leave Oni out of this, oh.
It has always been my dream to become a nurse. And I've been telling you this for years now. Nobody talked me into it.
And it has always been my dream to see you get married after secondary school. Because woman's education ends in the husband's kitchen. So tell me why I should use the money I should have used in taking care of myself to train you in higher education, which will end in your husband's kitchen. Look, I have done my best for you. But if you still insist, then it should be your husband's cross. Count me out. Oh.
But why are you always thinking about yourself now? Me, I want to go to nursing school, oh. I want to go to nursing school, oh.
Listen. So the thing is, I have made it clear, very clear, that you are not going to any nursing school. Papa. Not at all. You are not going to any nursing school. Not at all.
Mama telling me, I want to go to the university.
You are not going to any nursing school.
Mama, you are keeping going telling me.
I've made it very clear.
Mama,
right now.
Go
and get married. Once you finish secondary school, you get married.
Stop calling my children names. Which one is the Obise Bunti? I don't like it. I don't like it.
Who sent me home? Who sent me home?
Mayo, easy.
Okay.
Be a man, hold yourself together.
I'm being a man, no. I'm trying to be a man, no. Please take it easy on me, oh. Take it easy on me, oh.
Okay. I've seen from where the issue is. Ogwepera, or just a minor Ifa pull-up. Manogaba, it's just a matter of time.
Okay.
Before then, you provide me a healthy cock and 3,000 naira.
3,000 naira?
Yes, a white cock for Kukocha.
Only that is too much now. Where will I get that kind of money from?
This is normal. It's a normal routine. Where you will get the money from?
If I were to never okay, let me give you 1,000 naira, please. 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 Okay, let me give you 1,000.
All right, no, it's okay.
Beg you, sir.
I'll work on it.
Thank you, God will bless you.
Bless you too.
God will bless you.
Keep your legs steady, please.
Okay.
Keep it steady. Keep it steady. Keep it steady.
Okay. Okay, just that no gym.
Easy. Don't move your leg.
Please take it easy on me, oh. Take it easy on me, oh.
Easier. Why, your man? Nemo. How are you?
I'm fine. Udoka, what happened to you?
Udoka, No, place it on the ground. Don't raise that leg from the floor. Don't mind him. He wanted to be the next Samo Baraji, but he didn't know what it takes.
Says who? I meant to be greater than him, if you don't know.
With these your injury-prone legs.
No, don't mind him. See, I trust you 100%. I know you will do alarm proud, okay?
Thank you. I will with you.
Alright. Thank you.
Football.
Okay. I'm coming back. Udoka, come here. Why the change of mood? What is wrong? Why are you sad? Stop the tears and talk to me now. I'm asking you.
The form for the nursing school is out. And my father refused to get mine from me. Even Onine, my friend, has gotten hers.
The form for the nursing school is out, and that is why you are crying when I am there. Is it not our dream? Is it not our future? How would you be crying as though you don't know who your father is? You know how he behaves. Please stop this, okay? I'll take care of that. Is it late now?
No, it's still on.
Good. Not to worry. I'll make sure I provide you with the money to get the phone.
But why would you be doing all that for me when I still have a father? I'm even ashamed to ask you for money.
That is not what you should consider. It is our future we're working towards. Okay? I need to make you the best woman you can be. How much is it?
12,500.
12,500 naira. So. Is that why you're crying? It's okay, my love. Just stay here and give me a while. Let me go get you the money inside.
Really?
Yes.
Thank you.
Welcome. Now don't cry again. Wipe those tears. You know, go. I'm coming.
Thank you.
What is
Get up. Please don't celebrate my bitch. Dance.
Sorry now, what is this?
See, I have the money for the nursing.
Are you serious?
I have it.
How were you able to raise it?
Onyeka gave it to me.
Really?
Yeah.
Hey!
Hey, that Onyeka truly loves you.
Of course.
My God, I'm so happy for you. So you're finally going to go to nursing school.
Oh God, I'm so happy. Finally, we'll go to nursing school. I can't wait.
Oh no, but who did you say gave you that money? Huh? I'm asking you, Onoba, who gave you that money?
Papa, it's Onyeka, my boyfriend. But Papa, since you refused to give me the money for the nursing school form, he decided to assist me with it.
Ah, your boyfriend. In a friend, wow. And what happens after you must have secured the admission? I hope he'll be ready to see you through, providing money for everything. Or you didn't bother to ask him? Eh? You didn't bother to ask him? Now, return that money.
Papa, that's unfair.
If you hear fame from you, you are dead. Onoba, return the money to him.
Papa, I want to go to nursing school. I want to go to nursing school.
Will you return that money to him?
Papa.
Onoba, will you return that money? Will you return that money now? Will you return the money to him?
Papa, leave me away.
The money I will use to train a woman in higher education, I will rather go and deposit it at Madam Quality. Now, back here small. Ne riputaru, arwana kwa muru. And a just a lati. To accord.
Papa, leave me alone now, Papa, leave me alone.
Thank you.
What is it again?
My father asked me to return the money.
Why?
He says he's not going to pay my tuition even if I secure the admission.
What is wrong? Why is your father so heartless? Why is he doing this?
Okay. Please, can you come and plead with him for me?
Okay. I think that's what I'll do. Okay, let me just freshen up, and then I'll come.
No.
Uncle? No.
It's like you wanted to go out?
Yes. Chidera is having issues with her father. I want to go and play with him on her behalf.
That's so. Chidera, whatever it is, you bear it. It's only death that has no solution. Now, I want to see you for something important.
Something important? Oh man, can't it wait?
I came under emergency, as you can see. Even the Rafu Bangaba, because
okay, you know what will happen? Just keep this money, head it somewhere. Go home. I'll come and see you tomorrow when I'm done attending to them.
No, it's better.
I will.
The two of you can relax and talk better. When you win, when it comes.
Indo.
My son, I said I will ask you, why do you want to involve yourself into something you do not understand? Standing between father and daughter. As what? Are you that in-law?
Uncle,
now tell me.
I love Odera. You know that. Everybody in this village knows the relationship I have with that girl. I will do everything to help her become somebody in life.
Right. You know what I'm thinking? It is risky taking your money in her dreams without doing it officially. Declare marriage. Let's know where you stand. I will do that.
I will.
You see?
I will do that. That's why I want to support her to study this nurse. So that when we combine it with my bone setting, we'll make a formidable family.
No, I see a point there. I just take wise decisions. So whatever you do does not come later to haunt you. You know, all that aside. In fact, I came to borrow money. This is my situation. I promise to pay you back on next market day. Biko.
Uncle, this your sickness does not seem to be improving at all.
I am sure it will improve with proper medical attention. So lend me this money. I promise to pay you back next market day.
That's the reason I keep telling you I want Odera to study nursing. If she becomes a nurse now, she will help take care of you.
Yes, I now see your reason. In fact, it's clear.
How much?
If
Hey!
Ofoka, what you did is good. Look at me. I don't believe in female education. Female education is a bloody waste of time and resources. Now imagine, after training a woman, her certificate ends in the dustbin.
In the dustbin.
A woman's place is in the man's kitchen.
She said it.
Oh yes.
A woman's place is in the kitchen.
I believe it.
I believe it.
Don't allow it. Where is the pepper soup?
Pepper soup, Madam Kwakwa. Pepper soup. Like I was saying, my daughter no banner. Do you know that she is so obsessed with that Mazo Korioji's son.
Hey, that bone setter.
Onyeka and shit.
Don't listen to anybody. Spend your money on yourself. Can you imagine? Oh, so after training your daughter in all the best university in the whole world,
then you come and marry a bone setter. Wait, he's getting business now because Okada is breaking people's legs and bringing business for him. What if they ban Okada?
Business, no more business.
Yes,
your daughter wants to end up as a nurse.
Yes.
And then she gets married to a bone setter, a doctor. So I'm going to say doctor and nurse bone setters.
You see, I will invest my money in Madam Kwakwa because it does not crash. Madam Kwakwa cannot crash. It does not go distressed. Okay. Foolish people invest their money in banks. When the banks go distressed, they go to the village. I start cutting palm fruit. Oh yes, palm fruits in the villages. Okay, more useless people invest in MMM. And when MMM crashes, they commit suicide. They commit suicide.
Odera, where are you coming from? Why the shock? I guess from Onyeka's house, right?
Yes.
But you don't look happy, like you normally do each time you go to see him. Talk to me, what happened? Did he give you the money?
Yes, he did. But Papa asked me to return it on the basis that he's not going to contribute a dime after I get my admission. So I went to Onyeka's house to plead with him to come and help me beg Papa. But his uncle walked in and stopped him from going with me.
Your father is so mean. I just don't understand him. In other words, why did Onyeka's uncle stop him?
I guess he doesn't like me. Onye, please, I don't know what else to do. Nobody tends to like me. Everyone hates me. Even my own father doesn't like me. Tell me, if my father that gave birth to me doesn't like me, who else will like me?
Yeah, please don't start here. Not here. Please stop. At least I'm here for you. You're my friend and I like you and I love you too. Okay? So where are you going to?
I'm tired. I don't even know. I'm just...
But why would Uncle Onyeka do such a stupid thing? If Uche does not want to send his daughter to the university, what business of his is it?
That's what I told him. But he claims to love and care for her, therefore interested in her education. No objection to that. Only if you can declare marriage, pay her bride price. So whatever you spend on her is not in vain. Eh? How I told him.
Why is that nice, Papa? Very wise. But I doubt if that girl is ever going to study well. Her father is something else.
Not her father's case. I don't know what to say about it. You know?
Here we go, Papa.
Thank you very much. The issue of my father is even giving me a headache.
Sister, Papa, are you both talking about Uncle Onyeka and Auntie Chidera?
Yes. Uncle Onyeka wants to send that girl to school. Like he's unaware that her father is a magician that can stop Chidera from going to school anytime or forces Uncle Onyeka to marry her immediately.
Me, I doubt if that girl will stop after admission, no. I doubt that. And as for the marriage, that one is a sealed union. You know those two, they are inseparable. They are deeply in love with each other.
My dear, leave that in. That's what you think. Anyway, I wish them luck.
Papa Ndo.
Papa Ndo.
Hey.
Papa. Huh? This your sickness is not getting any better.
No, it's okay. I've just taken drugs.
Ndo.
Oh.
Papa, oh. Me, I doubt if these drugs are working at all. I doubt so. Anyway, Brother Emeka has promised to take you to the city for proper treatment once his master settles him this month. Me, I'm earnestly looking forward to that, so I just pray you get better soon.
Me too.
I will get better, I promise you. I will be fine.
The sickness is giving me sleepless nights, Papa.
Me too.
Yes, now, in as much as my sickness is giving us a sleepless night, I am in support of what Onyeka is doing. I support his resolve. Because, when they want education, who will sit down? When they want education, it will go easy. That woman will. Oh? Like I promise you, I'll be fine.
Nah, good afternoon. Who are you?
Now you don't know me again.
Why am I supposed to know you? Are you the president of America? What are you doing in my compound?
I am Onyeka, the son of Mazi Okorioji.
Not even the son of the late Nnamdi Azikiwe. So what are you doing in my compound?
Papa, easy on him now.
Oh no, but if you are here frame from you, if I handle you, got bad mammy now. Ha. Young man, I'm asking you, what are you doing in my compound? My compound? Out. Out, I say.
Can you calm down?
Will you get out of my compound? Look at the one that is giving a woman money. Do you have shishi? Or is it because you're making come far from both setting? Don't worry, very soon they will ban Okada.
What's stop embarrassing him now?
Papa, my name is
If I handle you, if I see you in this compound again, it's all right.
Nneka, where are you coming from?
From Chidera's house.
Oh, to see her father. Did you succeed?
It was worse than I thought.
Oh my God, very serious. I don't know why the father is so bent on his decision not to send her to higher institution. Becoming a medical nurse is a dream Odera cherished from childhood. I can't imagine what she's going through right now.
Indeed, but not to worry, I know what to do. Where are you headed?
Let me go and see Odera. At least let me console her. I know what she's going through right now.
I would advise you don't go there now.
Why?
The father is not in a good mood. The mood he's in now, he might devour you. He believes we are all deceiving her. If you know what is good for you, look for somewhere else and go.
Are you serious?
Very serious.
Please, oh, I'm not going again, no. I don't want anybody to beat me this hot afternoon. Oh, this my body is so precious. Okay, it's later.
All right. Nai, are you going out? I was coming to your place to see you.
Ah.
Yes.
What for?
I went to see Nayo Foka regarding his daughter, who wants to go to school by all means. She wants to study nursing at the higher institution, but the father won't let her. So I was thinking, since you're his friend, you can use your influence.
Oh. You want me to advise him to change his decision?
No,
what?
No, not exactly. I was thinking you would explain to him and make him understand the need for his daughter to get a good education.
Oh, education. Education for a woman that the certificate will end up in the dustbin? Education for a woman who will end up breastfeeding children and carrying children to school, and then, in fact, have you forgotten that our president said that the place of a woman is in the kitchen?
No, it's not in today's world.
It's in the kitchen. It's in the kitchen. What's that your name again?
Onyeka.
Onyeka. Take my advice. Leave what does not belong to you. This case does not concern you. You cannot tell my friend how to run his own family. Face your own warrant, no. What's your problem? Oh, you want my own friend to spend his hard-earned money, the money he's supposed to enjoy on himself, and be a man, and spend it on a woman's education that will end up in the dustbin.
Nine. So this is all about money.
Money, no. It has to do with money. Ego, money.
Thank you for your time.
Oh, thank you yourself. Thank you. Thank you.
So what can I know, Maya?
Young man, what is your problem? Were you deaf when I asked you never to cross this compound again? Or is it that you are deliberately looking for my trouble?
Not at all, sir. I cannot look for your trouble. Yeah, I cannot. It's just because the issue at hand it's very important. The gravity is huge. That's why it seems as though I'm overstepping my bounds.
And of course you're overstepping your bounds if you are here to talk to me about my daughter's education.
How can you be this adamant? I am pleading you not to have this opinion that females should not go to school. It is wrong. This is the 21st century. Women go to school these days and they come out great. We have a lot of prominent women who are doing great in politics.
Give me that scrap. It's only 5% of them. What about 95% who are in their husbands' kitchens? So don't preach to me about women's education because I know it better than you do. Okay, even if I want to send my daughter to school, I don't have the money. I don't have it.
At this point, the money is not the issue. All I need is for you to give your permission, just your consent. I will take care of the monetary aspect.
You will do what? Why would you want to do that?
I love Chidera. You know it. I know it. Chidera would be the happiest girl in this world if her dreams of becoming a nurse comes true. I cannot sit back and watch her wallow in that. All I'm doing is to assist her so that she enrolls in nursing school with her mates.
So you want me to allow you to train my daughter in school? So that tomorrow you will claim you have a leverage over her?
No, not at all, Onai. That's not true. I'm just doing it out of my goodwill and because of the relationship I have with this family. That's all.
You have just said it all. Bear in mind, I owe you nothing.
Thank you very much, sir, for at least accepting to give her your permission. Thank you. Where is she?
Bro, yes, easy, please.
Udoka, you played football with this leg yesterday, Opria. Tell me the truth.
Bro, I swear, I didn't play ball. I only trekked from my house to the stream. I didn't play ball.
Don't lie to me, Udoka. From what I'm seeing, you have strained this leg. You have stressed it. You played football with this leg. Don't lie to me.
Yes, I did. But just for a while because someone kicked me there again.
You see? What is wrong with you? After everything I told you not to use this leg, allow it to rest. How do you expect it to heal? How?
Your leg is still not healed yet.
This useless boy went to play football with this leg.
You shouldn't have done that now. Or you don't want to use this leg anymore.
I want to use it. Just that it's a mistake. As much as I try to stay away, the love I have for football will not allow me.
Will not allow you help your leg to heal. Him, how are you?
Be careful.
Easy, bro, easy.
Ma, I heard about the conversation you had with my father today. Why would you do that?
Is that the reason you came to see me?
Of course, yes. Why would you pay for my education when my father is still alive?
Because I care about you. What would you rather I did? Sit back and watch you wallow? No. Your father, it is obvious he's adamant. He doesn't want to shift his ground, and I cannot stand that. I can't watch you lose your dreams. I know this is what you crave for. I know your future depends on it, and I will do anything to make it happen.
Onye, you have a tender heart. Thank you so much. But you said my future depends on it.
Yes. I know your future depends on it. And nobody can stop you from going to school. I will do everything within my powers. Not even your father can stop that. I love you so much and I will do everything to make you.
Hey, we dance. I dance. Dance like your mother. Hey, Adam! Adam!
Oh, purchase it see now you've done it.
Sorry now.
It's okay.
This is beautiful. Hey, wait, sister. So after now, what next? You fill the form, sit for the exams, and you're good to go.
No, that's not it though. You think it's that easy? For you to be fully admitted into nursing school, you have to write 3 different stages of examination. 3! Before we finally admitted, Mama.
Why 3?
Calm down, let me explain to you people. Before one can be admitted into the nursing school, you have to sit through 3 different stages of examinations. After writing the first one, if you excel, 3 weeks later, they will now call you for the next one, which is called the written interview. If you scale through that one, Mama, the next day, they will now call you for another one. That one is called the oral interview. Mama, be listening to oral interview. Only after you've excelled through all these stages, before you will now be admitted alongside the other 100 students into the nursing school. But Mama, that's not all. Cool your down. Mama, see. 6 months after you've been admitted, you still write another examination. Hey, Mama. And this time around, only 50 students, 50, Mama, 50, will pass. That's amongst the 100 that were admitted that time. Only 50 of them. And these ones are the extremely lucky ones. Hey!
Oh, wait. My daughter, is this all you're going to pass through?
Mama, you think nursing school is this A for apple, B for ball kind of school?
Hey!
This is a very serious course. Very, very, very serious.
Sister, I'm scared though. Are you sure you're ready for all this?
By this blockhead. See, Mama, I know she does not trust me, but for me, I trust myself 100%.
I trust my daughter. She's intelligent. Very. And I know she will not like to disappoint us. Especially Onyeka, who made this possible.
Mama, don't worry. I will not disappoint any one of you. In fact, if they like, let them set 1,000,001 examination. Mama, trust me. I will pass all of them.
I know what you can do.
Please drop this thing. Celebrate it with me, please, Mama. Celebrate it with me. Mama, I'm so happy today.
Good morning.
How are you doing?
I'm very well, thank you. Where's your father? There's a very important issue I want to discuss with him.
Papa is not around. He went to...
Emeka. You're back. Good afternoon. When did you come back from the city?
Last night.
You came back and you did not bother to tell anybody. Not even to see me.
No, please don't be angry with him. He has not been himself since he came back from the city. Won't you sit?
What is wrong?
He is having some issues with his master. His master accused him of stealing.
Chineke me.
And sent him packing after having the police brutalize him for days.
Hey! Wait, Emeka. Tell me the truth. Did you steal your master's money?
Uncle, I have not stolen a dime from him. I've been with him for 6 years now. I have not stolen anything from him. Why now that my settlement should be in 3 weeks?
Oh, your settlement is almost due.
Yes.
Of course.
Tony was supposed to settle your brother in 3 weeks' time. This
really?
Was a plot to escape his settlement after serving him for 6 years.
Indeed.
6 good years.
How can humans be this wicked and mean? How can he not want to settle you? After everything you have done for him and served him all these years. Where's Uncle?
Papa has been trying to resolve the matter. He has gone to see him.
Yes. He should go and see him. This is man's inhumanity to man. Let them talk it man to man. He came on and settle you after all these years. He must settle you. It is your right. Hey, where?
6 good years.
Hey, where?
6 years.
He must settle you. Hey, where? Ha! Okay, see me.
Emeka! There. I don't know. Down. Come, all of you. Hey! No one of my biko no. man is heartless. That man cannot be a true Christian. Eh? He's unreasonable. Doesn't consider his fellow human beings. How could that happen? 7 years, apprenticeship. Oreme?
So, Papa, what you're trying to tell me is that my master is not going to settle me after my 7 years of relentless service to him?
That's what it is, oh. That's what happened. I went to him, he didn't talk reasonably. Eh? Maybe because I'm a poor person, very helpless. I can't fight him physically. Eh? But I assure you, this fight will not end here. Eh? I will go to the Igwe and make sure that justice is implemented. I will do that.
Papa. Sorry, Papa. Papa, I don't trust this. I have no confidence in the Igwe and his cabinet. Tony is going to influence their judgment with money. He planned this from the onset. He never wanted to settle you.
He must settle me. He must settle me. My 7 years of service to him can never be in vain. Never.
Huh? Don't worry.
What are you going to do about it? Eh? Are you going to fight him? Relax, Biko. Just relax. Leave everything to God. Let God fight for you.
But Papa, me, I still think you should go and see the Igwe. Go and see him.
I must go and see the Igwe. Eh? Eh? I assure you, your 7 years apprenticeship will not go in vain. Eh?
Sorry, Papa.
Sorry.
Papa, sorry.
This man must belong to a powerful cult. To have the audacity to do this to some other person's son.
I agree, Papa.
Eh? Eh? Hey! Onye na-agụrụ akwụkwọ ekpughị isi dangwụlọ. Onye na-agụrụ akwụkwọ ekpu...
Hey!
Papa, did I get you water?
Maybe you should stop talking, please.
It's okay, Papa.
Oh.
Good job.
See, Oye, I really enjoyed my examination. It wasn't as tough as I expected.
Me too. I so much enjoyed it. I can't wait for the result to come out.
Yes, so and I know we are going to pass with flying colors. Then we'll also pass our oral interview and finally secure admission. I can't wait.
Oh, thanks to God. I know we are there already.
We are there already. See, honestly, I almost gave up hope when Papa said he was not going to pay for any stupid nursing school.
All thanks to Onyeka.
Yes, sir.
But Odera, see, Onyeka loves you so much. It's only a man who truly loves a woman can do such for her. And let me tell you, don't joke with him, just be nice to him.
Of course I
don't want to hear tomorrow that you disappoint him because I will not take that from you.
See, it's Odera plus Onyeka equals forever.
Love, my titi fucking feel. I almost forgot that you guys are like Romeo and Juliet.
Wait a minute, Emeka. You mean the Igwe supported the Oga?
Exactly, Igwe did.
I mean, just like that.
Igwe could not give me the justice I deserve. Probably my Oga soiled his hands with money just to pervert justice.
So sad. So sad. After all your sufferings, all these years, it will never be well with that man. Never at all. So, Amy, what are you going to do now?
I'm confused too, Oga. I'm just very confused. I don't know where to go from here. You know the worst part? I did not save a dime when I was with him. I served him so diligently that I could not save even one kobo. That man has just ruined my life.
It's so sad. But, Amy, take it easy, okay? It is not the end of the world. Hence there is life. Believe me, there is hope. If I tell you my own story, the effort I have made so far to progress as a professional footballer, how many screenings I have gone and excelled, but just to raise little money to facilitate my traveling. My 2 rich uncles will be telling me stories, telling me unbelievable stories. But I know, I have not lost hope, because I know my time shall come.
Well, I also pray that your time will come, Udoka. Honestly, in my own case, I'm very much confused. I don't just know where to go from here. And I can't just start farming with my parents. You know it's not possible.
Then your uncle. I would have asked you to join me. So why don't you assist your uncle in his profession and seek the way forward from there?
Bone setting.
Amy, you don't need to think about this. You have to join your uncle in his profession and seek the way forward from there.
Well, I've heard you, Doka.
It's okay.
Emeka, are you sure you want to do this?
Uncle, I am very sure. Let me just use it to while away time instead of staying at home all day and waste my time.
Okay, if you're sure you want to do it, maybe I'll put you through it. Then we can be doing it together and running it until we're able to raise some money to start you a business.
That'll be very fine, Uncle. Thank you.
It's alright.
Thank you very much.
It's alright. Udoka, anya ga deponia. Happy about ball.
Take it easy now.
Take it easy on me, oh. I am being a man, oh.
Sorry.
I'm being a man, oh.
Keep your legs steady.
Sorry.
I'm holding him. Okay.
Sorry now.
Oh, yeah.
Sorry.
You're a man now. Take it easy.
Okay, I'm taking it easy.
Hey!
I'm taking it easy.
Sorry, I am attending to this practice. Just look at how you look. It's like they made this uniform specifically because of you.
Really?
Yes, turn around. Do that dance that you do for me. Do that.
You mean it really looks good on me?
Very, very good. You need to stand before a mirror and view yourself.
Amy, tell me that he's flattering me.
Of course he's not. You look very wonderful in that dress.
If you just want my hair to swell.
Anyway, how is it? I know, don't worry. Let's go inside. Emeka, come down.
All right.
Hey, go in front. Go in front.
Sorry.
Hey, take it easy. Take it easy.
I'll be a man now.
Yeah. I'm being a man, oh. I'm being a man.
Keep it straight. Are you trying to tell me that my uncle is the person sponsoring this girl's school?
Of course. The news is everywhere. He's not hiding it. Don't tell me you have not heard about it.
Yes, I have heard about it, but initially I didn't believe it. Until I got to see things myself. I mean, why did my uncle choose to train a girl in school? Somebody that her parents just refused to send to school. He just took it upon himself to train her in school. You know what my problem is here? How is my uncle going to be able to raise the money he promised to give me, to set me up with a business next year? How is it?
It's indeed worrisome, but Emeka, your uncle is a grown man. You don't tell him what to do.
Look, I understand my uncle is a grown-up, but I don't think he's taking the right decision here. I mean, as a man, I understand he wants to get married to the girl after school. Yes, but I don't think he's taking the right decision. Understand my own side.
Don't say that. They are deeply in love with each other. But the truth is, her father is the obstacle here. You understand? But as for Chidera, she is madly in love with your uncle. She loves your uncle so much.
Look,
that's what you should consider.
Honestly, leave that love of a thing by the side. You should know what my worry is. Your uncle is a grown man. A grown-up man, and he's training a girl in school. Leave that thing you're talking.
Mama, I forgot to tell you. Onyeka really surprised me, Mama. Hey, Mama. Do you know that I did not know that Onyeka has such huge amount of money to pay for my tuition?
Eh? Hey!
Mama, not just that. Do you know that Onyeka gave me the money I needed for everything? He also gave me pocket money.
Hey! He gave you pocket money?
Pocket money, Mama.
God. Oh! God, continue to bless this Onyeka for me. Hey! That young man is so nice and decent. Eh? Men like him are rare. My dear, hold tight onto him, oh. You will regret it if you ever leave him.
I don't need to be told. Me and Onyeka forever.
Amen, amen. God. So, my dear, when are you finally moving to school?
This weekend, Mama.
Oh, this weekend?
Yes, Mama.
Okay.
Mama, I know you're going to miss me, but don't worry, I'll be coming to see you, okay?
I will miss you.
I'll miss you too, Mama.
Actually, go, Mom. Oh, my dear. Now, that's what I'm so happy for you.
Thank you, Mama.
And at the same time, I'm proud of you.
Thank you, Mama.
Hey!
Ekwem, tell your father that the meeting is scheduled for 5 o'clock at the usual place. He knows the place.
Papa, I'll be leaving for school.
Okay, greet your teachers for me. Tell them whenever I have time I will come and see them. And please, school is not a place for gossip. This you all know, but you have to keep it behind,
Papa,
and
Papa.
go there and face your studies.
Papa, I'm not on about.
That's why I'm saying this. If you can run away from your Onuba, nobody will call you Onuba again. It's all right. You can now go. Thank your teachers for me. And greet them.
Papa, are you not going to at least give me at least pocket money?
Hey, you know, we agreed on this. I'm not supposed to contribute a dime. But of course, I would have. But unfortunately, I don't have it.
My daughter, please, let's go.
Save Johnny, don't forget to greet your teachers,
Sure.
Are you leaving for school? Yes. Hey, that is beautiful. Now you want to see how? Yes. I'm here to see manager. Bye bye, you. Hey, I'm fine, Nai. I can see your daughter is leaving for Cambridge.
My sister, that is it. Oh, she's leaving after sucking me dry. In fact, if I were alive, I would have died. This school of nursing is a money-sucking institution. Honestly. Hey.
Nai, but you have to enjoy it. It's for our future. And besides, people will benefit from it.
That's what everybody is saying.
I
want to hear me I invested big money upon big money, big money upon big money, big money. In fact, I'm only praying to be alive till the day this venture will become fruitful. Kamhata wanazuno.
Igahata, hey, Igahata. She got a mad drop easy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let me go.
Oje. Emeka, again, what is it?
Uncle, my father was rushed to the hospital this morning.
Why? What happened?
His sickness, it got worse last night, so we rushed him to the hospital this morning. And the doctor is demanding a deposit of 40,000 naira before he can commence treatment.
40 guinea?
Yeah, 40,000.
Where does he want you to get that kind of money?
We don't have any time on us.
Obi, please, help me, my father.
What is wrong with your father? You're supposed to be in school.
Yes, I got a very urgent call that my father was knocked down by a bike man. He was rushed to the hospital and the doctor said he's not going to touch him unless a deposit of 20,000 naira is made. Please, Nkem, help me save my father, please.
Oh my God. Emeka, how serious is your father serious?
Uncle, he is very serious.
Is his father ill?
Yes, critically ill. And the doctors are demanding 40,000 naira before they can touch him. And all I have in here is 25,000 naira. I want to go and...
That can save my father's life.
Are you sure?
Yes. See, please, Obi, just...
But my father is...
Emeka, she's right, eh? Why go just take it easy. Tell us I'll come and see him later. Let me just give her the money. Her father is lying critically. He will die. You want him to die?
Your father is only ill, but mine is critically injured. Then please, sorry.
Let's go.
Come and see him together.
I'll come later.
How serious is the illness?
Look, it is very, very serious. As I'm talking to you, my father is lying helplessly in the hospital. And the doctor is demanding 40,000 naira as deposit.
So why don't you check on your uncle Onyeka?
Please forget about my uncle. Just give me this money. I promise I'll give it back to you. Please.
Yes, again. You mean the 40,000 naira? Emeka, where can I get such amount of money from? Look, the only money I'm having on me here is the 10,000 naira I have been saving for my football screening trip next week. That's it.
Udoka, just give it to me. Give it to me. I promise I'll bring this money back to you before you will need it. It's a promise, please.
I said I'm saving that money for an important trip. You're here telling me to give you the money.
This is my father's health. It is his life, please. I'm your friend. I'll give you back this money, please. Just help me.
So you mean the doctor refused to accept the 10,000 naira?
Refused to accept the money. As I speak to you, my father is very critical at the hospital. I don't even know if he's still living or not.
Come on, Amy. Don't say that. Nothing will happen to your father, okay?
I find that so easy to say. Udoka, I don't understand how critical my father's condition is.
But despite that, nothing will happen to him. Don't go that far. Alright?
Just look at what you're saying.
Emeka, are you the only one at home? Is your father not back from the hospital?
He's still in the hospital.
Is it that serious?
I thought he said he told you.
Yeah, he did, but Chidera's father got hit by a vehicle and
my father's condition was getting very, very worse. But you chose the one that was more important to you.
Don't say that now, Emeka. You couldn't like this now. Eh? How can you say this? You know it's not true. You know how much I love my uncle, your father. I'm sorry, I didn't know what I was doing. I just acted on impulse. I'm sorry about that. Has the doctor attended to him?
He has not done anything. As I speak to you, his condition is still very critical.
Jesus Christ.
Sisters are just there with him.
This is not fair now. How can these doctors act like this? So they want Uncle to just be there in the hospital, lying down, and they will not touch him. You know what, Emeka? Not to worry, I'll run around. I'll see what I can do to raise money. Tomorrow morning, I'll make sure we go there together so that they can start treatment on him. I'll do everything possible to make sure Uncle is treated. Inugo, just calm down. He'll be fine. Don't worry.
Wait,
Where's my body? Ada? Chiamaka, what is it? What? Your father? Hey! What is going on here? My God is dead? Hey! Sorry. Take it easy. Just take it easy. Hey! Udoka, is it? Are you some police? Emeka, what happened to my uncle? Hey!
Chamakai.
Hey!
Go and bring it for Papa. Fast. Uche.
Papa, something bad happened today. I don't even know how to say it.
Something bad?
Yes, Mama. Papa, Mazoji is dead.
Mazoji? No.
Mourners are all over his compound, Mama.
He said he died early this morning.
Hey!
He died because the doctors did not give him attention. Just because his family could not provide the money they requested for his treatment, Papa. Mazoji now died.
Hey!
Oh! What are you saying?
Why? Why now, Uncle? After everything. So this sickness finally took him. This man suffered for me. He did everything to make sure I survived when my parents died while I was 15. He took me in. There was nothing I asked of him that he did not do. Now at the time he needed me the most, I couldn't help him. How was I know he was going to die? How? He just died like that. If I had known, I would have gone to settle the hospital bill.
It's okay. It's all my fault. It's all my fault. If only you had gone to save your uncle instead of my father. It's all because of me. And I understand you did all of this because you love me. You did everything because you care so much for me. You do not want to see me in pain. I'm so sorry. It's all my fault.
Don't blame yourself. It's not your fault. It's my fault. I didn't know it was that serious. I didn't know. I could have done something. If you knew how much this man saved my life, you wouldn't be saying this. Now my biggest burden is how to go to his house and tell his children sorry. With which face do I stand before them? What would I tell them? When I would have helped, but I didn't help. I was too selfish. I did not know he was going to die.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Don't worry, I'm here for you. I love you so much. Don't worry, okay? Just calm down. Please calm down.
Now I don't have any father figure anymore.
It's okay.
He refused to save my father's life, even when he had the opportunity to do that. Because I remember vividly how I ran into his father's compound that very good day. Telling him how critical my father's condition was. Then Chidera ran in too, with the news of her father being knocked down by a vehicle, that they needed money for his treatment. Then somebody that calls himself my uncle abandoned me in that compound and left with Chidera just to save a stranger, in place of a man who took care of him since he lost his parents.
That was so bad of him. He got it all wrong.
Heaven and earth know that what he did was very wrong. Now he wants to contribute to the burial of a man he killed himself.
He said that?
Of course, he came to my house last night, apologizing, saying we should allow him to take care of the burial. I told him no, that he shouldn't bother himself. We don't even need his help. I even told him not to come to mock us.
No, Emeka, Emeka, see, one thing you have to understand is that your uncle made a mistake and he's showing remorse for it. He wished your father death. He had no reason to, because we all know he loved him.
Udoka, just stop that. Stop that. I don't want to take that from you at all. How do you mean he loved my father and he couldn't save his life?
Emeka, like I said before, he made a mistake. And believe me, he didn't know your father was going to die.
How do you mean? When he knew exactly how critical my father's condition was. Udoka, my uncle is a core womanizer. If you don't know what to say, just shut your mouth. He just chose that girl at the expense of my father's health. And now you want me to believe it, to forgive him.
You will, Emeka, you will.
I have told you I'm not going to forgive him in this life. Not even in the next life.
You will.
All depends.
Just calm down. Calm down your nerves.
I beg you, we don't have car yet. By the grace of God. Very soon.
Hello, girls. Hi. Okay, sorry about that.
Are you headed this way?
Yes, this way.
Oh, that's fine. Can I drop you guys if you don't mind?
Oh, thank you very much. We don't know you, so you don't have to bother. We can't.
You know, I actually seen you some couple of times in this villa. Okay, you know what? I'll just introduce myself. My name is Sophia. I'm late Chief Tobias Wefi's daughter.
Oh, from Rosabell village. Yes, I know you. Have seen you before.
Okay, that's fine. Can I know your names?
Yes, my name is Oinye.
Okay.
Odera.
No, ma.
I'm Ego. I can see you guys are nursing students.
Yes, we are. We actually just finished our exams and we're coming home for the holidays.
That means I'll see you more often then. Okay, please let me drop you girls, please.
Let's go.
I go. No, ma.
Bye-bye.
That lady?
Oh, Sophia.
Her name is Sophia.
Yes. Her brother stays in Europe. He made a lot of money. In fact, she's into money. Spending money anyhow.
No wonder. But honestly, God is very partial. He'll just go to one place and shower all his blessings there and just forget about other people.
Ego, are you now saying that God is partial?
Is he not? After all, my brother Meze has been in this same Europe for the past 6 years. He has not sent a pin. How for? We have not seen.
Biko, let's go. When is your brother's turn? His own grace, favor and luck will shine. Everything in life is all about grace, favor and luck. So let's go, Biko.
Chika, you mean you met her today?
Oh yes, I did. Mama, she's very pretty.
Oh.
Mama, she's exactly what brother would like. If brother sees this one, brother would just faint. She's very pretty.
You're sure your brother, my son Kenneth, will like her very well?
Crystal sure. Very sure, Mama. Very sure.
Okay, if you say so, I would like to see her too.
Yes. Okay. She's my friend already, so I'll just invite her. In fact, I'll bring her personally here.
Alright, Uju. I'll be leaving you here. Make sure you get everything that we need, okay? And come back quick.
Sister, what are you talking about? I thought we were supposed to go to the market together.
Look at this one. It's not only market. I'll follow you into the bedroom. My friend, go, Jo. See. I'm not seeing Onyeka sis. Yesterday I got back. Let me quickly rush and go and see him, okay?
Sister, it's not fair.
What is not fair? I explain to you. Go to the market.
I know you want to see Onyeka, but it's not fair.
What is not fair? Look at your long head. Don't worry. Would you make sure you come back?
Hi! Hey girl, what's up?
Sophia, right?
Oh, come on. How could you have forgotten my name so soon and I remember you? What's up now? Okay, please, come. Where are you going to?
I was actually going to see my friend.
Oh, come on, she can wait. Look, I'm going somewhere. I'm going for shopping. So I would love you to accompany me if you don't mind. Please.
No, I want to just see my friend.
No, she can wait now. Please, look, I'm beginning to like you. I don't just see anybody and like that person. I saw you and I just have this likeness for you. Please. Please now. Okay, let's go.
Wow. Hey. So this is your house?
No, it's my brother's house. I thought you've seen it before.
Oh, I've not even passed through this place before. I've heard of it though, but I've not passed here before. Wow, the house is so beautiful. Yeah. So that your brother built it?
Mm-hmm. If you see the one in the city, you will drop your hat.
The house is so beautiful. Thank you.
It's okay, let's go inside. Let me show you inside. Hey, mommy.
I heard voices. And I decided to come out and check the intruders in my compound. I didn't know you were the one.
Where is your gun?
My dear, I decided to check first in order to decide on the exact weapon I was going to use. Whether to use the Obunigwe or the Kokoma.
Mama, please don't bring anything out. It's your lovely daughter and her very pretty friend, Chidera. She's very beautiful.
She is beautiful indeed. Prettier than you are, you know.
Mama, I'm not surprised. You always compare me to other beautiful ladies. I'm the ugliest daughter in your eyes, mommy. It's not good.
And have I been wrong about that?
But you love me like that now.
Do I have a choice?
Don't.
I don't have a choice. Monkey no fine. But mama like her. So I not be throw away you.
Mama, you people are so funny. Don't mind Mama. You are actually beautiful.
Hey! Odera! Don't tell me you're among those who are deceiving my daughter that she's beautiful. Oh, better tell her the truth.
Oh, stop.
You are not.
Thank you. Maybe let's go inside, Jerry. Let me show you
around. Welcome, my dear. Welcome. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Hey. Well, you are welcome to my little hut. So what do we offer you?
Please don't call this a hut. This is the biggest house I've ever seen.
You serious? If you see the one my brother built in Lagos, you would doff your hat. Not just that one, the one in Texas, United States. My sister, beautiful.
Really? Of course, my dear. God has richly blessed my son. You know, but we are not here to discuss about him, even though your friend Sophia likes to brag about her brother's wealth. It's all about your first visit to our house. So I want you to tell me what we are going to offer you, because we have foods and drinks in varieties. So tell me.
No, nothing, ma. Thank you very much.
Don't even go there. Don't go there. You know what? Wait a minute. I'm coming.
My dear.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you from this village?
Yes. I'm Uche Ofoka's daughter.
Oh. Uche Ofoka. That's beautiful. Really? Are you a student?
Yes, I am. I'm actually a nursing student, but right now we are home on vacation.
Oh, that is beautiful. You are really carving a beautiful future for yourself. Thank you. I love nurses, you know.
I've been keeping this foreign wine for a special guest. You can have it.
Thank you. Thank you, ma.
My dear, you're welcome.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Thank you.
My brother is calling. Hello, brother. Good afternoon. I'm fine. Mama. Mama is sleeping, no. She's not here. I'm just here with my friend. My beautiful friend came to see me. Okay. You want to speak with her? Okay, brother. Hold on. Adera.
Hello? Yes, I am. Chidera. Yes, I am.
Sorry, I wish I could follow with you. I'm quite busy now.
Okay. Thank you for you.
Okay. Hello, brother. Yes. She has a beautiful voice. Yes, she has. She doesn't just have a beautiful voice. She's very beautiful. Don't even go there. Don't go there. Okay, brother. Later. All right. Hey, my brother said you have a very beautiful voice.
Thank you.
Dear Sophie.
Mama.
I will clean in this house. Why did you tell your brother that I was asleep?
Mama, I did that as a revenge. You remember what you did to me 2 nights ago? You refused me to speak with brother. You guys spoke for 2 hours. I could not speak to my own brother.
Look at her head. I'm not coming. I will deal with you in this house.
I'm sorry. What do you want? Do you want to eat anything?
No. Thank you. Thank you very
Did your mother ask you not to eat in somebody's house? What's wrong with you? Eat something now.
No, I'm fine. This is enough. Thank you, ma. Thank you.
My dear.
Thank you. God bless you.
Bless you too. You're welcome.
Papa. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, my dear. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Sophia, meet my father, my mother, and my younger sister, Ujuma. And Papa,
yes.
Meet Sophia. She's my friend. She's the daughter of late Chief Tobias Uche.
Oh, the one that has a very rich brother who lives abroad.
Yes,
hey, you are very welcome. You're welcome, eh?
You're welcome, my daughter. Thank you, ma.
How's your mother?
She's very well.
What of your brother? Is he in the country now?
Oh, no. He's not around. He works for some foreign investors, so he's not around at the moment.
Hey!
Sir, I'm so sorry. I really have to go. I have something important I need to attend to.
Not so soon. You haven't been here before.
I'll visit again, I promise. I just came to drop my friend.
Hey! Chai! Is that so?
My regards to your mother.
Greet everybody for me, eh?
I'm coming, let me see you after.
It's alright. It's alright.
Bye-bye.
So you said that girl bought all this for you.
I know, bring it first, eh? Yes, she did. Do you know that she was even forcing me to take them? Take. I was initially refusing, but later I took all of them. Hey!
So that means you visited their beautiful house.
Of course I did. I went inside the house. Not just that. The mother gave me this, and asked me to bring it home.
This is foreign, oh.
Yes, Papa.
Expensive
wine, Papa.
You're foreign.
Hey, Papa. You can't believe that. Their brother called. And can you believe I also spoke with him on the phone?
Hey, but what did he say?
Nothing of importance, so we just had a little chat.
Hey, is that so?
Yes, Papa.
Honestly, my daughter, these are the kind of people you have to mingle with. Oh, they are the they are the very nice people.
Papa.
Hey.
Mama, how long did you say you've been in this girl? Just 2 days now, Mama. 2 days.
You see? Only 2 days.
Yes. She brought us when we were returning from school the other day. Today again, I ran into her and she begged me to accompany her to a nearby town for shopping. That was why she bought all these things for me. She also drove me to her house, introduced me to her mother. Papa, you can't believe that her mother is a very friendly person. Yeah. You need to see the way she was chatting with the mother. They're just talking. Papa, there's no dull moment in the house.
But I didn't know that those people are friendly.
They are.
Because everyone in this village tends to be scared of them. Maybe it's because our brother has so much money. I don't know.
Rapu Kenendo see me. These are good people.
They are very nice.
They are attraction no bodo. They are very nice people, honestly. Yes.
Papa, let me
Yes.
go and try out my tea.
Okay.
Papa, let me
not now. You go and try out your stuff.
Yes.
You've been looking at your phone. Are you expecting a call? Oh yes, I am. I don't like driving and picking calls. My brother promised to call exactly this hour, so I'm just waiting for his call. Really? Yes. Oh, here he is. Hello, bro. What's up? Okay, I'm with her right now.
Okay, hold on.
Hello?
Hello, my dear. How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm pretty good, dear. My sister has told me much about you. So many things about you. Your goodness, you're beautiful, you're pretty, and all that. And you've been in my thoughts for a couple of days now. So I asked her to allow me to speak to you again.
Really? But there's nothing special about me. You're just exaggerating.
Oh, honey. Anyway, don't worry. I'm at the stage of very soon. I hope we'll gladly forget to see you.
It will be a pleasure to see you.
Okay. Okay. Let me not say much until when I come. I will let you see you. We have to see. Definitely, so we'll talk about.
Okay.
I'm very busy now. I have to go. Now I'm going to take care of you. I will see you again.
Alright, thank you very much. Let me give it. I want to give it to Sophia so that you could say, hello.
Well, I guess he has spoken to the person that really matters to him. That one person that matters to him. I'm irrelevant.
What do you mean, the one person that really matters to him?
Nothing.
Come on, Joe. Talk to me. What do you mean?
Oh, Odera, what do you want me to say? Look, I think my brother is in love with you. From the very first time he spoke to you on the phone, he's been talking about you, bothering me about you. And do you know he even spoke to my mom about you last night? He said that he wants to marry you. He's just crazy. Yes, my brother is just crazy, I'm telling you. He's really good, Jerry. You don't mind him.
Onye, when did you return from school?
It's been 4 days now.
4 days? Did you come alone? Where's Chidera?
Of course we came back together. We are on vacation. Wait a minute. You mean Odera has not come to see you?
You mean Chidera has been in this town for 4 days and I've not seen her?
Oh my God. I'm even surprised to hear this. It's unlike her. Wait. Emeka didn't greet you. Why?
He doesn't talk to me. He's not alone in it, himself and all his siblings. Since my uncle died, they've not been talking to me.
What? Is it that serious?
Are you sure Chidera is in this town?
Yes, we came back together.
Did you hear that? It seems Chidera is avoiding your uncle.
Of course I heard it.
Oh, of course you heard them. Emeka, doesn't that surprise you?
For what? Tell me, why would he surprise me? Udoka, see, let me tell you, I saw it coming. I saw this thing coming. I knew that the very moment this girl steps her feet into the higher institution, she's going to abandon my uncle. I mean, the problem my uncle is having, he is too blind, too archaic. Tell me, what makes my uncle think that after exposing such a beautiful girl to the world, she will still come back to him? Is that possible?
Oh, Emeka, she can't possibly do that. Your uncle has sacrificed a whole lot for her.
Mom, you find that so easy to say? Because you don't know women. You think they reason the way you do. Udoka, let me tell you, I'm even happy this is happening to him. Honestly. At least let him finally come to realize the kind of woman he abandoned my father for. Nonsense. I beg, let's keep going. Is that why you stopped me? Come on, start pitying somebody that does not deserve anything.
Hey, go. How are you looking fresh? So, how is nursing school?
We thank God. It's so interesting. As in, you should join us.
Wait, are you in the same class with my sister?
Just like a miracle, my dear. It's all of us are in the same class. As in, but I think it's only Uche.
She's not in the same class with us.
So why is she not in the same class with others?
My dear, I don't know how they did it, but I think she must have been among the last people to do their registration. That was why. I think so. So, you're going to join us in nursing school, Abi?
Nurse. Hey, no. Me. I want to be a lawyer. No nurse.
Also, lawyer. A law. Who is going to sponsor it? Your father that I know. Or who?
Don't worry. You'll be surprised when it happens. I will do magic. Lawyer, I will be a lawyer.
You will do magic and become a lawyer?
Yes, sir.
When you can just quietly join us in the nursing school where we already know the road.
For where? No, me, I want to wear that their uniform. You see that black and white inside. And that their cap, what is it, wig or what?
It's with on.
Hey, I will now wear it and now spruce like this. Nobody will wish me.
My dear, come and join the nursing school. You know why?
Why?
At the end of the day, when you look at the lawyers and you look at the nurses, who do you want to be like actually? Sincerely, tell yourself.
Lawyer!
You want to be a lawyer?
Yes!
When you look at nurses and you see the Blessed Virgin Mary.
Blessed Guinea, banana. That your cloth is cheap. Have you seen our shoe? That black, the way it's glitter. That's what I want to be wearing. And I put. Have you even heard lawyers speaking English? That's the section of the case. Let me know everyone start. Don't worry. When I start.
Don't worry, at the end of the day, when you are sick, in this, even inside the law court, when you faint, they will bring you to.
Don't worry.
I don't know where they will bring you.
We know how to take care of it.
You look troubled. What's the problem?
Nothing. I'm fine.
No, you don't look fine to me. What's the problem? Or are you having issues with Onyeka?
Onyeka? I haven't even seen him since I got back.
You're not serious. Why?
Okay, I forgot.
You what? You mean that you forgot to see Onyeka for like 4 days now since you came back from school? Sister, please tell me, what is really going on? What's going on?
You said it to her? Yes, so I did. She was so curious, I had to. Brother called while I was still with her. She was so curious. I had to let the cat out of the bag. But don't you think it's pretty early for you to have let her know what's happening? No, Mama, I did the right thing. Mama, see, brother would love it. I know. If he hears it, he will so love it. Mama, all we just need to do is follow it up with conviction. That's all. You see, I don't want my son to marry those Oyibo women over there. That's why I want him to pick a wife from this our locality. So you said she spoke with Kenny? Mama, she was pretty excited talking to brother. Hi, Mama, don't worry. I will do this thing to work. Don't worry, don't you trust me? Mama, do this for me. Just do this for me.
Ujungwa, how are you?
I'm fine. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Uju, is it true that Chidera has been home for 4 days now?
Yes, it's true.
Really?
Yes.
And she's not bothered to see me. I've been worried. What is wrong? Are you sure there's nothing wrong I did to her? Because I don't know if she's bearing any grudge against me.
Honey, come on. She bears you no grudges. It's just that she has been engaged with home activities since she came back. And guess what? Yesterday, she was lamenting about not being able to see you. She's sad about it. Trust me.
She did?
Yes.
Okay, that's some relief. I was worried.
Okay.
Please do tell her we have to see. Tell her to make it possible that we get to meet. I'm missing her so much, okay?
Okay, I'll tell her and I'll make sure she sees you soon.
Thank you.
My regards to you.
Okay, she'll get. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
No.
I've missed you. I've missed you so much.
I've missed you more and you know it. Look at you. I heard you've been back to this village for 4 days and you never bothered to come and see me.
I'm so sorry. It's just that I had so much to do. I've been really busy since I got back. You know, home chores, school assignments, and etc. etc. But I'm so sorry.
Thank God. Thank God. I was scared. I thought you deliberately did not want to see me.
What for? Why would I want to do that? No, don't even think about it. I'm sorry, okay?
It's okay.
What do you have inside? Because I'm so hungry.
I actually haven't finished cooking. I was making stuff before I went out, but not to worry. Come and help me. So
I'm very hungry.
I have food. Come!
Guys, Sophia, what's up?
You both know each other?
Yes, she's my friend.
I guess he's your boo?
Boo? Please, what is boo?
Your boyfriend. Oh, well, okay, I could give you guys a lift if you don't mind.
No, don't worry.
Thank you so.
No, don't worry. We are just going down the road here. We're almost there.
Dude, I can give you a ride.
Thank you, not to worry. I appreciate it, but this is where we are going. We are looking at it now.
Okay.
Thank you. Let's go.
That girl offered us a ride. Why did you turn her down?
I was even going to ask you, why were you so eager to jump into her car?
Because she's my friend and she offered us a ride innocently.
She's your friend, that girl. Who is she and where did you know her from?
That does not matter. What matters is that she's a nice person and she means no harm. I even wanted to even enter her car because I was tired of trekking.
You? Tired of trekking?
Yes, I am tired of trekking, in case you did not notice.
Chidera?
Here. What are you doing here? You didn't go inside the house, or what am I doing here? I'm waiting for you. You didn't tell me you were coming straight to my house.
How would you know? When your Baba refused me saying a word. And maybe he thinks that I want to take you away from him. Or did you tell him anything?
Of course not. See, don't mind Onyeka. At times he's very possessive.
That is not funny.
It's not funny at all. I mean, what is a pretty and ambitious girl like you doing with such low life? That guy is so primitive, girl. He's primitive. Very.
You don't know Onyeka, eh? He's a nice boy.
I don't need to know him. Was it not the nigga I saw with you? What else is there for me to know him? There's nothing for me to know him. I don't want to know him.
Sophia, can we discuss something else?
Of course, I'm sorry. It's just that I don't mean to pry into your privacy, okay? But I wouldn't see what is wrong and not say it. You're not just anyone to me. You're my friend. And I love you so much. Okay? Okay, look. Please do not misconstrue my innocent opinion just because I want you to marry my brother. It's 100% your decision to make. Honestly. It's just that I want you to make the right choice.
See, Onyeka and I have really come a long way. He has done so much for me, and I feel indebted to him.
You are indebted to no one. You own your life and you have the right to make the decision pertaining your future. Not because some nigga did you some little favor, you feel that you can deprive what really matters to you, and that is your freedom.
See, you don't understand. Eh? I owe Onyeka.
You owe Onyeka. What do you owe him? Money? Tell him to me his price. I will pay for it.
She feels indebted to him. Probably because he's the one sponsoring her schooling.
Really?
From the look of things, I don't think she's into the guy. Nah. She just feels indebted to him. Yeah?
Really?
And I even told her that I can repay him whatsoever he thinks that she owes him. We can repay him.
And what did she say when you told her that?
Absolutely nothing.
You don't mean it?
Yes, that's a surprising thing.
Come, does that mean that when the debts are repaid, she's good to go?
Possibly. Mama, I was warmly received when I visited. I think we need to visit the father. Kenneth must marry Chidera. She deserves better.
Agunwa, you're too much. In fact, I owe you for this.
Thank you,
Mom. But in this kind of movement, I think we need your uncle's support. Because you know we are both women. And traditionally, when a man goes with us, it will make our movement more authentic. Eh? I will send you to your uncle.
We need to visit.
Mama!
So that's it, Uncle. I think it's high time we pay them a courtesy visit.
Okay, Sophia, can you just tell me the truth? Are you really saying you have so bonded well with this girl?
Oh yes, Uncle. Mommy, I don't think she's much of a problem, yeah? I think what we should be worried about is the family, how they will react to it.
And who knows? They may help us in convincing her. I mean, all we need to do is to sound very convincing to them. And I don't think any sane parent will rather prefer that poor illiterate orphan to my wildly educated son who resides abroad. I mean, the difference is clear.
Okay, now listen, both of you. As what I mean is, if you are sure of what you're saying, we should go ahead and we should start immediately.
That's fine.
I know the number of things.
How are you? Yeah, my daughter, how are you? You're welcome. Hey. You're welcome.
Afoka.
Okay.
We are thanking you for your wonderful reception. As a matter of fact, without much ado, let me quickly tell you why we are here. We are here on behalf of our son Kenneth, who is in abroad. He sent me to come with them and deliver a gift to your family. And then when I inquired from him why he wants that kind of thing, he confessed that he is interested in your daughter. So, my very self, as a traditionalist, as a titled man, when you man and ambu, man, okay, I don't know. I told him that it shouldn't be that way. That things must be done in the proper way, traditionally. But he confessed that he actually did not want me to come and propose on his behalf. But he wants us to come and deliver this gift that himself will come very, very soon to do the proposal by himself. And we were comfortable with that. But just last night, to my greatest surprise, I received a call. I never knew that he has been communicating with your daughter. So that is why we are here.
Well, I must confess that I'm also surprised to hear this. Honestly, I did not know that there have been any contacts. Chara,
Papa.
so have you been communicating with him?
Yes, Papa.
I told you.
And he did propose to you?
Yes, Papa.
Well, you have heard it from the horse's mouth. But considering what you said earlier, a blind girl was told that suitors were coming for her. She said, until I hear tobom in between my legs. So I will pretend that I did not hear anything until I hear it from your son himself. Yes.
On that note, let your daughter get prepared because very, very soon she will hear to boom in between her legs.
You're welcome, my people. Yes. Ujungwa. Ngwa. Share the gala, share the booze.
Thank you very much.
Nine. What exactly are you saying? Are you going to give your daughter to that young man? A stranger you barely know? Betraying the innocent Onyekachi, who has sacrificed a lot for this family?
What nonsense are you talking about, Analog? What nonsense are you talking about? Who is Onyekachi compared with Kenneth, the young man in question? Kenneth is a young man who has made so much money. He reads money. He smells money. What Kenneth has achieved, your so-called Onyekachi cannot achieve it, even in his next word.
Nine, let me tell you, don't be too quick in judging tomorrow. Oh yes, Onyeka, for all I know, is an ambitious and a hard-working young man. What matters here is the love they share for each other, and not money.
Look, for all I know, he is done and dusted. What you are seeing now is his future. There is nothing left of him. So I wouldn't want you to talk about Onyekachi when we are discussing a suitable husband for my precious daughter. You don't bring him in at all.
Can you just hear yourself? Oh. So, she is now your precious daughter. Chidera is now your precious daughter. But you bluntly refuse to send her to higher institution to study a course of her choice. Are you now forgetting in a hurry that it was that same Onyekachi that made her to be in the higher institution? And it was her academic ambition that attracted that family to her. Ishefugo?
Woman, you are analog. We are in a digital age. So I'm not going to engage in any baseless discussion with you. Count me out. I'm not part of this baseless argument. Count me out.
You even called me analog.
Count me out.
Now you check it where? Hey!
Sister, say something. Say something.
Hey!
You're the one involved in this whole thing. Father cannot make decisions for you. Neither can any of us. What's your decision on this? You're not going to leave Onyeka after all he has done for you and the family, are you?
I tried to explain all of this to Sophia. But she promised to refund the money, everything Onyeka has spent on me and the family.
Oh, she even said that. Oh, nice girl. This family Abuka is mad.
Nine, can you just listen to yourself? I am so ashamed of you. And you, Chidera, what was your response when she said that? From the way you are sounding, don't tell me you are with your father. Chidera, don't tell me you are with your father.
Say something now, say something. What's your stand in this?
Hey!
Say something, Ha!
Chidera! Oswage! Chidera!
Sister.
Ojumwa.
What exactly is going on?
What do you mean?
You know what I'm talking about.
What are you talking about?
You've been silent about this whole thing. You refuse to make your stand clear. Don't tell me you're even considering ditching Onyeka just because of money. Because that will be the highest level of betrayal. Not after all he has done for you.
And who says I'm thinking about that?
You might not have voiced it out, but the attitude suggests it. You need to be pronounced. I expect you to come out and stand with him if you truly love him like you claim.
I am not claiming. I love Onyeka.
Oh, you do? Then prove it.
Babes. This beautiful car is for you.
My brother sent it. This is Johnny. He will teach you how to drive. Take the kiss.
Mayo?
Yes.
Thank you very much. This is your sister's car.
You like it?
Thank you.
Do you like it?
Like, I love it.
That's good. Please open the door for her. Let her see her car.
Go.
Come, no.
Okay.
Go this way, go this way.
Can I see?
Yes, of course, it's your car. It's okay. You like it?
Chidera, why so fast? Because the same day we brought the car, the same day I taught you how to drive. Now here you're driving so well.
See, you don't even know me. The same way I learned to drive this car, same way I passed all my nursing examination. Why do you think I'm in nursing school if not for this?
Really?
Besides, it's an automatic car.
Really
The only thing I did was to just follow all your instructions and bam, I'm there. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you too. Thank you.
Thank you.
This is your driving license.
Yeah.
Everything ready for you.
Hi. Yeah. It's so nice.
Yeah. Looking pretty in a passport.
Thank you so much.
Thank you too. So I'm free to go now, right?
Yes. Let me drop you now. At least let me put to practice everything you taught me.
Let me see your hand now. Finally. Okay. Whose car is this?
Mine. I came to show it to you.
Yours. How?
See, you remember that girl we met on the road that day? That girl now.
Which girl?
Late Uche Ogbuefi's daughter.
The one whose brother stays abroad.
Exactly. She handed the car to me. She told me her brother sent it to me.
I don't get how. Why would her brother send you a car?
Okay. I know I have not told you, but the brother proposed to marry me.
How do you mean he proposed to marry you?
But I have not accepted.
No, wait a minute. You have not accepted, or you will not accept, because they are both different things.
See, do not misunderstand me. I have not accepted, and I will not accept it.
If you haven't accepted and you will not accept it, then why accept his gift? What are you doing with his car?
Because I need it.
You what?
See, my mates in school, they all drive their cars to class, and this car will really save me a whole lot of trouble.
Believe me, Odera, you don't need this car. Send it back, return it.
What?
Return the car.
Ha! Me, I will not return it. Oh. This car will help me a lot, so I don't want to return it.
Do you know what you're saying? Keeping another man's car, what are you going to do with it? Return this car.
It's not just a car, it's a gift.
How can you act as though you're a child? What kind of gift is that? Or did I return this car?
Yeah, I don't want to return it. This guy is going to help me. You need to see the way my mate used to drive to school.
It doesn't matter, return this car.
You want me to be checking on that hot zone every time? Why are you treating me like this now? Please, I like this car and I want to keep it. Don't ask me to return it because I won't.
Ha!
Onyinye, have you heard breaking news?
Which breaking news?
Oh my God. We now have a new car that will be taking us to school. No more keke, okada, buses, anything.
God has done it for us.
I am confused here. God has done what?
Chidera and I have a new car. We saw her learning how to drive and she confirmed to us that the car is her own.
Oh my God. Wait a minute. Are you serious? Please, where?
We saw her along Ekezo Road just now.
I would love to see with my own eyes. Let me rush and see. Please, can you guys take me back there? Please.
Let's go.
So I heard right. Is this the car late Uche Ogbuefi's son sent to you?
Yes. And I just went to show it to Onyeka. And he ordered me out of his compound, asked me to return the car. I don't know what makes him think that he can control my life.
What are you talking about, Odera? Eh? Why would you even accept his gift in the first place? And I heard he's proposed to you. Does that mean you have finally accepted his proposal?
Of course not.
Then why accept his gift? Why accept his gift? And you had the nerve to show it to Onyeka. How could you?
Why won't I? Listen, Onyeka has not even asked me to marry him yet. So, tell me, why shouldn't I be open to possible suitors?
But you know everything he's done for you is because he wants to marry you. He's interested in you becoming his wife.
Am I a witch? How am I supposed to know that when he hasn't even spelled it out?
Girlfriend! What happened to you? I thought you loved Onyeka.
Of course. I love Onyeka. I love him so much. But, like I said earlier, he has not asked me to marry him. And even if he does, I fear for our future, you know. Because he looks like someone that is stuck in this village forever. And you know me now. I've always wanted to break out. See, I have greater dreams for myself.
Then, that is your answer. You have already made up your decision. Then why pretend?
You think I'm pretending? Listen, Onyinye, I just want you to also see things from my own angle.
See things from what angle, Odera? That you have made up your mind to drop a poor guy that has sacrificed so much for you because of a rich stranger that showed up from nowhere. I can see you're already cruising with his car. What else are we saying? It's a jackpot.
Onye, you are my best friend. And I wouldn't want us to have an argument over this. Say, okay, just come into the car, let me cruise you around, okay?
Are you aware that Onyeka is an only son who lost his parents at a tender age? He has suffered. I knew how he suffered to raise some of the money that he spent on you for you to go to this nursing school. Think and think. You see all these early things, someday they will fade away. But that person who loves you will be here with you. Thank you. I am not interested. Yes.
Wait, Onyinye. What has suddenly come over you?
I should be asking you that, Odera. What has gotten over you?
Adamant.
Papa.
Does he have Ntui? What is it?
Yes, Papa. That's the AC.
Yes, that's so.
Yes, Papa.
Eh? So this is what these rich men enjoy every day. My daughter, God really loves you. Imagine how God has decided to lift you from Ogbenye to Ezeke. Eh? And what was that nonsense you were telling your mother that you were considering what? Eh?
Papa, the truth is that the whole thing is really getting to me. Eh? Everyone keeps telling me that I am making the wrong decision.
Does it look like you are making the wrong decision here? But no, not at all. Just think of what your life will be if you marry Kenneth. Eh? In fact, there's nobody who loves you who will advise that you marry that poverty-stricken Onyakanshi over Kenneth.
So, Papa, you think I'm making the right choice?
Bam! Bam! Hey, don't look back. Eh? This is a lifetime opportunity. No woman will want to miss this. My daughter, I'm telling you. Eh?
Okay, Papa.
Guys, you know when you're not too poor. Yes.
Papa, just enjoy it.
Oh.
In fact, let me even play music for you. Yes, though.
Eh.
Let's go.
You won't believe what I just heard just now. What? What did you hear? That Chidera is getting married to a late chief Ogbuefi's son. That one that lives abroad.
What did you say, Amaka?
Exactly, brother. That Chidera is getting married to a late chief Ogbuefi's son. The one that lives abroad. He even bought her a car, of which she received through the sister this morning. And a couple of minutes ago, I saw her at, what's that her name again? Madam Quality's bar. Yes. Buying everyone present there pepper soup and drinks.
I saw this thing coming. I saw it coming. I knew that girl will never marry Uncle Onyeka. Never. You see, that girl has this egoistic aura that makes you feel she will never settle for less. But I wonder why Uncle Onyeka didn't say this thing at the initial stage.
Was it not in the bid to please her that he abandoned Papa to die? Was it not?
Of course. And I even told him. I told him that he's going to regret this thing one day.
Man.
I wish I could just set my eyes on him now. I would have just laughed the hell out of him. I'm telling you. So myopic. What nonsense.
Hey. Uncle Onyeka. This is too bad. This is not good at all.
Sister, don't tell me you feel sorry for Uncle Onyeka, because he deserves it. He deserves it. It serves him right.
You don't understand, my dear. He sacrificed a lot for that young lady. She shouldn't have done that to him.
I shall leave that one. That's women for you. Let me tell you, there is no reasonable woman that likes a reasonable thing. I'm being honest with you. They don't love men that genuinely love them, if you don't know. So forget about that, your pity and whatever.
But I disagree with you, Umbanu. Not all women.
Yes.
As for me, if I should see a man that will love me half as much as Uncle Onyeka loved Chidera, I would love and appreciate that man for the rest of my life. To me, Chidera is just an ungrateful person. She's a very stupid girl.
Look at this one. Who taught you about love?
That's my own, I'm saying my own.
You're right, my dear.
Yes.
And what do you know about women?
Huh? Let me tell you, most women don't like reasonable things. I'm telling you.
This is not good at all.
That he deserves it.
Are you sure of what you heard?
Me, I was there now. I saw her buying them pepper soup and drinks. I was there. Don't feel pity for him. Don't put that face up. She deserves it.
Chidera, return that car to whoever that gave it to you. Right now.
Mama, please stop. I don't want to have this conversation with you again. Give me a break, please.
Shut up your mouth. Return that car and snap back to your senses because you are completely losing it.
Oh, Mama, please. I know what I'm doing.
Sister! You know nothing. You are losing it, and I will not be party to anything that will suggest you hurt Onyeka after all he has done for you.
But it's not just about him. Don't you consider other things?
What else is there to consider? Your greed?
Mama, so that's what you now think about me? That I'm being greedy?
And unreasonable too. Chidera, instead of you using your head, you are allowing your excessive love for material things to do the thinking for you. Oh, I am so ashamed of you.
Please, I don't have time for
Where are you going? You sister, stupid.
Sister, listen to mother.
Hey, just keep your mouth shut and stay out of this.
How do you expect me to do that? When you're making a grievous mistake.
Mistake? What are you calling a mistake? what you even know?
Oh, believe me, sister, I know a lot. I know that you do not love this man. You only want to marry him because of his money. I know that your chances of being happy in the marriage is slim. Because you two do not know each other. I also know that the man may not even love you. Because you don't know exactly what he wants from you.
This is what you now wish on your own sister. An unhappy marriage.
No, sister. I don't wish you an unhappy marriage. We are only being realistic here. Marriages like this ends up a failure because of obvious reasons. Besides, do you even have conscience at all? How do you think Onyeka will feel about this?
Like I said earlier, the world does not revolve around Onyeka, okay? Besides, my happiness should count to the both of you.
Eh? You say happiness? Let me ask you, what makes you think you will be happy living with a total stranger? Ask her. Eh?
I can now see that both of you are conspiring against me. It's okay. I guess I better leave the house to the both of you. Please enjoy.
Return that car! Return the car! Water! What is it? Come up to it! If I ever see this guy here, then I will burn it! Nonsense! What kind of nonsense is this? My own daughter! Hey!
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
I understand your husband sent you a car. Is this the car?
Yes, but he's not yet my husband.
What else is left? When himself, Kenneth, has already pronounced you as his wife. Even we, his people, we are beginning to recognize you as our son's wife. Hey, my dear, you are a very lucky maiden. You don't know how lucky you are. As a matter of fact, you don't know what the gods have done for you by bringing Kenneth your way. Izuku.
But Nai, do you think Kenneth is a good person? You know, I've not met him before. Do you think I'll be happy with him?
Why are you sounding like a child? Are you not perceiving the happiness already on the air? Even around you? Yeah? Now listen. Do you know how many maidens out there that are struggling just to get to your position? So many of them. And they are ready to do anything, to go any length, just to be like you. Listen, Kenneth is my late brother's son. And he is like a son to me. Let me tell you the truth. Kenneth is a very good boy. Very, very good boy. And talking about happiness, I am assuring you, there's no doubt you are going to have 100% happiness with him. People may want to deceive you, advise you from left, from right, but don't listen to them. Don't ever lose Kenneth, because if you do, you will regret it.
Thank you so much, Unai. Yes. Thank you very much. Hey, Unai, where are you going to? Let me drop you.
I want to see somebody there.
Okay, Unai, come inside now. Let me turn and drop you. Oh. Now you come inside. Come inside. Go this way now. Anywhere I thought, come. Let me drop you.
Money is good. God punishes poverty. you can walk. See how I have transported from Ogben to Ezeke, from palm wine to foreign wine. Hey, Wele. The real thing has not happened though. Hey. By the time it happens, by the time my daughter gets married to Kenneth, I'm sure they'll be sending me foreign wine every month. And even this car here, I believe my daughter will leave it for me. That is if my diaspora in-law has not bought me that one. My daughter says is one of the biggest cars. I think she said is a Bugatti. That is if he has not bought me that Bugatti before then. I think the only thing that is better than money is more money. And someone out there is trying to discourage my daughter. That person, the thunder that will fire him, is still doing rehearsals at Obogologo. I will not take it kindly with anybody who will stand between my daughter and Kendo. Hey!
Uche. Good afternoon.
I'm from here. How may I help you?
I have come to see Chidera.
And why do you want to see my daughter?
She has been avoiding me for some time now. I've come to find out if everything is okay.
The reason is because she has moved on. My daughter is getting married to a man after her heart.
What are you talking about? You cannot do this to me now. You know I love Chidera very much and she loves me. You can't marry her off to another man when I'm there.
Onyekachi, I understand you perfectly well. And I understand that you have done so much for my daughter and this family. You even came to my rescue when I was abandoned at the hospital. And to show you how much we appreciate all your efforts, I want you to name your price and I will pay you double.
Honestly, this is not about money.
It's all about money. You remember the very day you walked in here and signed up to sponsor my daughter in school. I made it clear to you that that did not mean that you will have a leverage over her. But to show you how generous I could be, I want you to name your price and I will pay you double.
This is not it. Don't do this to me, please. I love your daughter so well and she knows that. She cannot marry another man and leave me. Please.
And I don't love you enough to spend the rest of my life with you. I have the right to choose whoever I want to get married to. Please, I owe no one my life. Onyeka, see, you have really tried for me and I feel indebted to you. But I cannot kill myself because of all of this. So, like Papa said, name your price and we'll gladly pay you.
Chidera, did you just say this?
Yes. Yes. See, I have come to realize that you're not the right man for me. So I've decided to marry someone else. See, let's not further aggravate this issue. Don't make this difficult for yourself. Just name your price and we'll pay you double. Listen, Onyeka, don't be shy. I know you need the money, eh? Be fast about it.
So some people are not husband materials. They are looking for wife materials. You are not bottom. But if you want to eat soup that is a bottom, it's not possible. It's not possible. Onye na-adịghị bottom osisi were your fed bottom. Hey.
Ifunaya mo, imewala mobi, ebeki no, ogini kameregi, arire buemo, ebeki no, ogini kameregi, arire buemo. What have I done? What have I done? What have I done to deserve all this?
What happened? And why are you crying in the middle of the road by this hour of the day? What happened? Please talk to me.
Chidera, I went to Chidera's house. I'm just coming from there. Oh my God.
Talk to me. What happened? Okay, what did she say to you? That makes you cry like a baby. What?
Chidera is planning to get married to another man. I went there in search of her, and her father told me that I wasn't welcome, that she would get married to another man. And before I knew it, Chidera came out herself and told me to my face that she didn't love me, that she was getting married to someone else. Is this fair after everything we have been through together?
What? You mean Chidera said all this to you?
I won't be alive and let it happen. I will kill myself. I will die if she gets married to another man. I can't live alone. I can't stand it. After all I have done for her, after all we have been together, she wants me to be alone when she gets married to another man. I will die. I will kill myself. I won't let it happen.
It's okay. It has not gotten to this level. It has not gotten to that. Please, don't. Then why don't you just go ahead and kill yourself? Kill yourself! You deserve it. Because of you, my father died. You abandoned my father to die in the hospital because of that stupid Chidera. You abandoned my father to die in the hospital. Someone who took you in as his own son. Eh? Why don't you just kill yourself? Die! Follow him! Kill yourself already!
Amaka!
Enough! You are talking to your uncle. Uncle, you say? No. Did I just hear you say uncle? This man, my uncle. Okwaya, my uncle. This same man who abandoned his father, if he knows the value of family, he wouldn't have chosen Chidera over his own uncle who took him in as a son after his parents' death. Now you tell me, who does he know in this full village? Who does he know how my father took him in as a son after he lost his own parents? My father sacrificed a lot for him. He even sold a piece of land to train him in secondary school. Now tell me why he should treat someone who helped him with... Tell me why you... Kill yourself already, die! Amaka, you are not helping his condition. Please, just stop! And wait, you think I'm here to help him? No, really. You think I'm here to help him? Me. Hey, me Amaka, help him. Amaka, leave this place. Now, leave! Are you serious? And what if I don't? What if I don't? Will you force me?
It's okay, let her be. Leave her alone to vent her anger on me. I deserve it. I caused it all.
Oh, you just heard him, Abi?
Did you just hear him? He knows he caused it. He knows. And he knows he deserves what he's getting right now. Rubbish. Onyeka, it's okay.
It's not okay. Don't tell me it's okay. Chidera wants to marry another man. What do you want me to do? I will kill myself. Oh.
No.
I will kill myself. Oh.
No. I will talk to her. It's okay. Let's leave this place.
Brother, I saw Uncle today, and he doesn't seem to be surviving the loss of Chidera.
Yes, now, I wouldn't expect him to have come over that shock now. I mean, this is a girl he loves so much and he has sacrificed a lot for. Do you understand? So he's practically going to live with that for the rest of his life. I pity him though.
Pity? You pity Uncle Onyeka? Hey, as for me, I don't feel any pity for him. Oh. He deserves it. Yes, for him to have chosen a total stranger over his own family. And now the stranger has shown him the stuff she's made of. He deserves it.
Shemaka, let me tell you, forget that thing you're saying. Uncle Onyeka is a very nice man. Honestly, he doesn't deserve that.
Uncle Onyeka, a nice man. Okay. If he is a nice man, like you said, he wouldn't have abandoned Papa to die in the hospital. He's a very wicked man. Oh, he's wicked.
No, he's not wicked. I understand that was a very big mistake on his own side, of which I know he regrets up till now. But that doesn't make him a wicked person. Don't talk like that.
Uncle Onyeka does not feel any remorse. If he does, I would know. But even as I'm here, I'm never ready to forgive him. Never. I will never forgive him.
No, you will.
I will not. Oh.
He's your uncle. I hope you know that.
You are a wicked man. He's not my uncle.
Chiamaka, just forget that. Don't talk like that. I understand that Uncle Onyeka made a very big mistake, but don't call him a wicked person.
But now let's leave women out of this. Women or no women, Uncle Onyeka is a very wicked man.
I hope you know he's your uncle.
He's not. After that incident, I don't see him as a nice man anymore.
No, leave
he's
that one.
wicked.
What have I done to deserve all this? After all the love I shared, after all the things we've done, now you've left me in the middle of the dark. I gave you my heart, I gave you my love, I gave you my trust. Now,
Onyeka, I heard you have been like this for over a week now. That you have refused to attend to your patients, go to farm or do anything else. Why?
I can't go anywhere. Where do you want me to go without Chidera? I can't function without her. Now she has followed that Kenneth's sister to the city. Before I know it now, they will travel to Budoibu. And I'll be left here alone. Why would Chidera do this to me? Do you know how much I love her?
I do.
You don't. If you did, you wouldn't be saying this. Why would she treat me this way after all this time, or everything I've suffered for, after what we've been through together? Why? Is it because of money? Just money.
Onyeka, Odera is a fool. She does not know what she has in you. That was why she left you with such ease.
I don't want to believe she has left me. I know she will come back.
I am afraid that will not happen.
What do you mean by that, Udoka?
Chidera has finally agreed to marry Kenneth. And as we speak right now, Kenneth's people are at her place, making their marriage plans.
That is not possible. She's in the city.
No, she's in this village now. She came back this morning.
Are you sure of what you're saying?
I wouldn't be telling you if I'm not sure. I'm very sure.
I have to go and see her.
No. What difference would that make? She has made her choice. You can't make her change her mind now. There is nothing you will say that will make her do that. It seems desperate and hopeless, as if your life revolves around her. Let her be. If she's going to change her mind, she will do that on her own And nobody will make her do that.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
I am here for you to look me into the eyes and tell me that you do not know you are making a huge mistake. Tell me!
Honey, what's this about? Come, let's just go inside. Then let's go. Come.
This is not why I am here. Do not pretend. You know exactly what I am talking about. Odera, how could you say that to Onyeka? After all he's done for you, after all you guys have shared, after all the emotional commitment, oh, you think the best thing to do is to pay him off with money? Oh my God. How could you be so unreasonable? I thought I knew you. I thought you were my friend. How could you?
So, all this ranting is because of Onyeka?
Oh, it's not worth it. Are you being real or you've lost your sanity? All because of some money that has been splashed on you? Tell me!
Hey! Hold it right there. And what are you talking about? What's all this?
You stay out of this. After all, you are the cause of this whole thing. You bought my friend's sanity with your brother's questionable wealth.
Stop it, honey! Stop it! I will not have you talk to her this way.
What's going on here? This girl again. What's going on here?
Papa, it's good you're here. This swine is trying to quarrel your daughter simply because she doesn't want to marry who she wants her to marry. I don't get it.
Really? I beg of you, do not call me names. I won't take it from you.
You don't have the right to come in here and say just such nonsense. Now, leave my compound. Will you leave my compound?
If you do this,
this same girl.
You're very wicked.
This same girl.
Papa, please don't. Papa, please. It's still you.
This is the second time this girl is coming in here to create problems for me. If I see you here again, I will.
Papa, please, it's okay. She's such a swine. A swine.
Hey!
Papa, just jealous. Simply jealous. Papa, she's just jealous.
My dear, Papa, please don't let your brother in there.
It's okay. It's okay. No, it's all. She's just jealous. She's jealous. Yes. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Let's go. Let us go. She's just jealous of you. She's jealous of you.
Has it always been like this?
My dear, Geronimo, everybody around thinks they are the ones to make the decision for her.
That is madness. That is total madness. I mean, we've passed that age where family and friends makes decision for one person. No. These days it's entirely the person involved, 100% to make her decision. I mean, it's that person that will live with her partner day in, day out, not these people.
Exactly what I'm trying to make my daughter understand. To make the best decision for herself.
Exactly.
But the pressure on me is not allowing me to think straight. Everyone is trying to make me understand that I'm making a very wrong decision. I'm just confused.
Papa.
Yes, my dear.
I'll be leaving for the city tomorrow. It's just a suggestion. I'm suggesting that Odera follows me, at least to clear off this whole thing. Then when school resumes, she comes back. By that time, her brain must have cooled down. This whole thing would have just subsided. It's just a suggestion.
I think she needs that break.
Exactly.
She needs it.
I hope it's okay by you.
is settled. So when did you say you people are leaving for the city?
First thing in the morning, I'll come and pick her up. Then, Papa, I'll give you something small to, for cooler.
To accord. It's alright. It's okay by you.
Go and prepare your things and in the morning we go.
Yes.
Thank you. No problem. Are you not offering me anything? No worry, let me get you water. Okay. Papa, I'm going to get water. Welcome to my brother's house. Abu, don't worry, I'll call you when I need you, okay? Okay. Let's go in. Whoa. You are welcome to my brother's beautiful home.
Hey! This house is so big, oh! And it's very beautiful.
Oh, really? You like?
I love it.
That explains. That is quite expensive.
Hey!
That explains why my brother loves you. The moment he saw your photo, he was like, Sophia, I have found my wife.
Really?
I'm telling you. Look, I have no doubt that my brother loves you. He might not have met you in person, but I have this feeling, this connection that my brother loves you. You know what? Enough about him because this is no time for him, okay? We just arrived. I'll take you straight to your room. You shower, then later I'll take you around, then we'll go have dinner. Is that okay?
Have you not heard? One ask about me in the village. I am the best cook anyone has ever seen.
Nice one.
Don't worry, I'll cook for you and you will love it.
That would be nice. But we'll still go around so that I can show you around.
Yeah. It's okay.
Let me take you to your room, okay?
Hey, this thing is glass.
Let's go. You'll see more of it later, okay?
Hey, see you.
That is quite expensive. I'll show you to your room, alright?
Hey!
Come, Luz, you'll see more of it, okay?
I know this one. Jangolova.
Nice.
I know this one. What is this?
That's a chandelier, actually. And very expensive. Don't worry, let me show you to your room. Come on, let's go. You're cracking me up big time. Let's go.
How do you see the food? Hope it tastes good.
This is one of the best meals I've had in recent times. Trust me.
How do you mean?
I'm honest here. This really tastes good. Never knew you could cook this way.
Do you know what I like about you? Your honesty. And you're such a good person. I just thank God for the day that I met you.
God bless you too. You know what? I'm glad I chose you. I made the right choice for my brother.
You did. Not minding some useless people who want to make me to lose my God-given luck. See, Onyeka really did a lot for me. And I'm grateful. I really appreciate everything he has done for me. But it's just that
I don't just like the way he's just going about the whole thing, and it's really making me to hate him.
Please forget him and live your life. Enjoy yourself. Oh, I almost forgot. I'll make sure you finish your schooling abroad. My brother will make sure of that, okay? So just enjoy yourself. That is if becoming a nurse is what you want.
Hey! See, Sophia, it's not like I don't know what I want, so I know what I want. It's just that, now, at times when you take some certain decisions, I really do not want to take any decision that will hurt anyone. So I'm just...
Chidera, listen up. Just listen to me. Don't you ever feel bad for making a decision that will upset anybody. You're not responsible for anyone's happiness. You are responsible for your own happiness. Okay? I mean, if anybody wants you to live a life in misery because of their happiness, girlfriend, that person shouldn't be in your life in the first place. So, have it in mind and make your own decision, okay? Right now, I want to enjoy this food because it's so delicious, okay?
Okay. Alright. This thing is very sweet and I like it.
Enjoy it, my dear. Brother? Yeah, she's here. Let me give her the phone. Okay.
Hello?
Hello, Miss. How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm okay. Thanks for asking. My sister said you are in the city now.
Yes.
Oh, great. And actually, I was waiting for the right time to do this. I'm afraid it might lose you before then. I've had story that I'm scared. I think I have to take the big question. Yeah, I love you. I know it's funny to say, but that is truth. I love you so much, and I want to spend the rest of my life with you. Please, will you marry me? Are you there? Hello?
Yes. I'm here.
You say something. I know I'm not getting it right. I should have waited until I visit the country. But to the present situation, I have to do it. Please answer me. Will you marry me?
Yes, I will marry you.
Oh, yes. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. You don't know how happy I am now. I can't wait to come home and finalize this from me. Thank you. I got to go.
Wait. Hello?
I think his boss walked into the office, so that's why he went off the phone. I'm so happy. Come here. Oh, sister. I'm so happy. You know what? This calls for serious celebration. Let me go get us some drink. I'm coming.
Ike. You know, a swollen scrotum is heavy, not because of its size, but because of its position. So are you saying he cannot make it? Is that what you're saying?
Ogo. One negu araji, one negu te okofia. No, he cannot make it. And that is exactly why he has pleaded with us to come and plead with you.
To do what exactly?
Ogo. To do exactly what I've explained to you earlier, that we should go ahead with the traditional marriage rite.
How would that be possible? She will need her husband around so she can present the drink to him. Okay, Semir.
Oh God. Like I said earlier, we are still saying the same thing. Yes. Anything or anybody can be used to represent Kenneth. So then Kenneth has assured us that the white wedding will take place there in abroad. Yes. So, and all of us will troop abroad.
Hey.
Oh God. You, one passport. You, one passport. Your other daughter, one passport. As for this one, it's covered already.
Yes.
And this they've been traveling. And my very self, one passport.
That will not be possible. He must be here. If that marriage must go on.
But my dear Odera, I thought you and my son discussed this and you both agreed on it.
Yes, ma'am.
Then what?
What?
What is it?
Odera, come out here! You did? Chidera, how could you agree to something like that? Hey!
Oh, Mama. See, let's just do this thing fast so that I can go and join my husband over there. Besides, they just told you that the white wedding, every one of us will go there for it. So why are you still complaining? Hey! Calm down.
You see,
Chidera!
Because look, I'm not disputing this. Because if you keep searching for you discover yon. There's no time to waste. This is why I'm strongly behind my daughter. I'm strongly behind her. Yes.
Is that what you want?
Ma, please don't spoil this for me now.
Hey!
See, do you know what it means to study abroad? I'll be completing my nursing school there.
Yes.
Mama, then from there I will now travel to America and start earning dollars. Mama, don't you want Oyiba man's money? I'll be sending you dollars.
Would you like to tie white man's?
Don't you ever ask me such stupid questions again.
To tie white man's wrapper.
Papa. Sample. Papa. Tiaroba.
Papa. It's one walk up. I'll get you job.
Chara tia roba.
Ndaga nano. Unu biara ofuma.
Tanu. Ugowani. One star. Oh yeah. How close are they go? You see ke? It's your back again. Yes. Finally. Hey. Everyone wa.
Oh, yeah.
Chara mwa.
Papa.
Sample.
Papa.
Tiaroba.
Papa.
Because the guy did. Oga Gregema. Game more. So, they can't man and niggas say more, but so go take against.
Unaga.
If anybody had told me that Chidera will do this to me, even in my dream, I would never believe it. I love her with all my heart. And she made me believe she felt the same way for me. What a fool I was to have believed her.
Onyeka, you are not a fool. There is no shame in what happened. Rather, she would be the one that will live with it for the rest of her life. Forget about what happened and move on.
You don't get it. It's not as easy as you think. I can't forget Chidera. How can I forget her when everything around me reminds me of her? I think about her every minute of the day. I sleep and wake up thinking about her. I can't live without her.
You have to try as much as possible and move on. Because she has moved on. She left with Sophia to the city this morning. Probably she'll be leaving the country soon to be with her new husband. She has moved on. Why can't you do the same? Try. Odera lost something in you. It's quite unfortunate she does not realize that. But you should be proud of this. Yes.
Onyeka. Onyi. Is
Go
that
on
you?
him. Ugonnaya.
Onyeka.
Is that you?
It's me. This is me.
When did you come back from Obodo Ibo? America, right?
Bro, you are very right. So right. See, I came in 2 days ago. I was discussing about you with my mom this morning. She told me it's been long you last visited your own mother's people. It's not fair now, my brother. That is not fair. What have we done to you? See, let me tell you something. My mama is very angry with you. So angry with you. Or is it because your mama died? You lost your mom?
It's not like that. I visit, honestly. It's your mother who is not always at home anyway. Was she at home when I visited 3 months ago?
What? Oh, 3 months ago was the last time you visited your own mother's people. Come on, brother. This is not fair. Now, this is not fair. This is not
what we'll discuss here on the road. People now start staring at us. I'm so excited seeing you. I didn't even know you were back in town. You know what? I will come to the house so that you give me my own American goodies. The vendors also here.
You don't need to worry about that. You know what? I am rather coming to see you. In fact, I am coming this evening to see you.
Are you serious?
I said I am coming this evening to see you.
I am waiting for
my
you.
My own brother.
Hey!
No. Hold on. I'm coming to the house.
Die! Wow, Papa man!
Only.
Lay!
I'll see you.
take it easy. It's very, very painful.
I know. Just calm down, eh?
Oh, yeah. Jesus.
It's a minor sprain. Yeah.
Oh. Please take it easy. Hey, Jesus.
Easy, easy, easy.
God.
It has entered. It's a minor dislocation.
Okay.
Ugonna, one name is here. Please.
Uncle, please take it easy.
Do not run with this leg.
Onyi.
Just trot. Ugonna, one name.
Don't tell me you are still doing this.
Doing what? You mean bone setting?
Yes.
Of course now. Koko hapu problem with the Guinness home.
Oh yeah, God. You know, sister, it will amaze me.
Straighten.
I'll be waiting for you. I want us to talk.
Okay, fine. Just give me a while. I'll be done.
It's okay.
All right.
Oh yeah, God. You know, sister, amaze me. All right, I'm waiting.
All right. So what are you saying, Guna?
Yes. Only see, what I'm saying here is, you need to harness this skill of yours. Brother, come on. You don't know what you have. You don't know what you have. You are just wasting in this village. Listen, you see what you're doing here? This is what the whites cannot do over there without the help of machines. Bro, if you just step into school and study a course on this, money is calling you. Money is knocking on your door. Trust me. You're going to come out as one of the best surgical doctors ever. By the way, where did you stop in school?
One name, I finished at SS3. Although I came tops in all science subjects, but that was a long time ago.
Onyi, the point here is not how long or how short the time is. The point here is, are you ready to refresh your brains and take some exams? Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready, but I don't have money for that.
Onyi, I feel moved to help you harness these your amazing skills. Yes. You know what? You'll follow me back to the States, enroll into a school and study a course related to this. You're wasting in this village.
Couldn't I be serious, because
of course I am serious. I'm not kidding here, man. I am not kidding. I want to help you. You're my brother, all right? See, you're living with me back to the States. We'll spend some time in Abuja, get your papers ready. Off you go, brother.
Good night, you want to take me to America with you?
Come on, brother, come on. Your mother is my father's elder sister, all right? What are friends for? Let me tell you something. I've gone to the States and I've made money. Cool cash. By the grace of God, I am what I am today. See my car. You don't want to ride a car? What are brothers for? I will help you.
You want to put me back in school?
Ugonna, you're going there to study a course on this and you're making a lot of money.
I don't know what to say, Ugonna.
Come on, brother, come on.
God
Relax.
bless you. God bless you.
It's okay. It's okay.
God bless you. Honestly, I didn't expect this.
You see this kind of car? You own it one day. Relax. Oh, shut up, man. What's all this? Shut up. Come on.
God bless you.
You know what? I think we need to go somewhere and freshen up. What do you think?
Fine.
Oh, my man.
Thank you.
Don't worry. Don't worry. All these things you're doing here, the state is waiting for you.
Won't it be enough for you?
I think it's more for the three of us.
Yeah, it's not.
Dalokwan.
Well, good morning.
Good morning. May I sit?
Which seat? There's no seat for you.
Should I get you some food?
Yeah, which food? The one I cooked. There's no food.
Will you shut up? Enough!
I have come to apologize to you all. I don't know what devil is getting into this family. I know you are very angry with me and I deserve it. Whatever anger you vent on me, I deserve. Because I didn't do what I should do. I'm part of the cause and I believe Uncle died because of me.
Of course, he died because of you.
Emeka.
And you know.
Keep quiet.
Emeka, Amaka, Adanne, please, forgive me. You all should not be in doubt how much I loved Uncle. I didn't know his sickness got worse. I didn't even know he was going to die in that manner. It breaks my heart every day knowing he died because I didn't do what I should have done. I've not been able to live with that. It torments me. That's why I'm asking you all to forgive me in any way, please.
It's been months now since Papa died. Why did you wait until now to do this?
Because I didn't know how to come. I didn't have the courage to stand before you and apologize. I didn't even know what to say. You all are the only family I have. But now, I've realized that I must reconcile with you before I travel abroad.
Eh? You're traveling out of the country?
Yes. I'm going to America to study orthopedic medicine. All thanks to my cousin Ugonna. But my mind won't be at rest until I have mended walls with you. That's why I'm asking you to forgive me in any way, please. Find it in your heart. I'll be going to Abuja tomorrow with him to get all the necessary things we need for the travel. Then from there we'll take off and fly abroad.
Hey! Namo, this is good news. Honestly, I'm so happy for you. I'm really happy for you. I know you are a good man. I know you have a good heart. I was only angry with you for not coming to Papa's aid when we needed you most. Still, I believe Papa wouldn't have died if it's not God's wish.
Indeed. Thank you very much.
Well, Uncle Onyeka, we have heard what you said. And like Adanna rightly said, our father wouldn't have died if it wasn't God's wish. We are initially angry with you because you couldn't provide the money needed for his treatment. But let's just forget about the past and focus on the future. It's okay.
Thank you, Emeka. Thank you, Adam. Amaka, thank you. Obelenwany.
What? You want to hear me say I'm forgiving you too?
Yes, now.
Me, I won't to unless you promise to take me to America someday.
Okay, I promise you I will take you to America someday.
Wow, that's my uncle.
You're
welcome.
And I'm sorry for all the bad letters I
What? You are traveling to America?
Yes, my dear, that's why I sent for you.
Just like that?
Look, Onye, I just want to thank you for everything you have done for me, for being a good friend. I just want to thank you for the support, for standing by me all through my emotional struggle. It's not easy, and I do not take it for granted. That is why I have called you to say I appreciate so much.
So what do you have for me in appreciation to all that?
Well, I don't have anything at the moment, but I promise you I'll get you something, many things good when I'm coming back. All I ask for you at this time is to please remember me in your prayers every day.
You don't have to worry. I'll be praying for you. You will go in peace and you will come back in peace.
Amen.
Just don't forget to buy things for me when coming back.
I definitely will not forget that.
Onyeka, Onyobodo Ibo. I'm happy for you. Okay, just take care.
I will.
Bye-bye. Okay. See you soon.
Yay! I brought this drink specifically for you. I want us to drink, marry, gist, and talk about school. So tell me, give me gist. What's up with school? How was school?
School
it's just that. It's okay. Oh, come on. There must be something in school you guys gist about. Give me the gist. You know I like gist.
There's nothing really interesting about school.
Yeah. You don't look okay. What's up? What's going on?
No, I'm not. It's about my husband. I've not set my eyes on him since we got married. And the last time we talked on phone, he's not even making any plans to visit anytime soon. Neither is he making any arrangements for me to come over there.
Oh, come on. I thought the arrangement was for you to finish school first, then you come over there.
No. That was not the earlier arrangement. That was not the earlier arrangement before I accepted to marry him. That only changed after I got married to him. And you're very well aware of that.
I guess it's because he's busy over there. I thought he explained these things to you.
Yes, he did. And he also told me that he'll be coming to the country in 6 months. And do you know when he said that? 3 years ago. It's been over 3 years. I don't know what, I'm just tired. This is no longer funny now.
See, please, just calm down, okay? Nothing is going wrong here. Just focus on school. Get the best of grade and come out. And I'm sure once you're out of school, you go over there to meet him.
Oh, sis, you don't understand, See, if anyone had told me that at this time I would still be in this country, I wouldn't have believed it, I'm not even ashamed to show my face in the village. Because each time people see me, they start to bombard me with lots of questions. And I'm just so tired of answering their questions.
Leave those people in the village, they will always talk. They're always talking. Just leave them, pay a deaf ear to them. My dear, don't worry. You know what? When I'll call him and I'll explain these things to him, and I know he will change.
I don't know if he will answer you. The last time we spoke was 3 months ago. Till now, nothing.
I guess he's busy. And he will call you.
But how can he be so busy that he cannot even remember to call the person he claims to love? Oh God, I don't know. Sophia, I don't know what to say anymore.
It's okay. Your husband will come back.
I don't want to drink. I'm not in a good mood. Just take it easy.
Hey, brother! Yay! You're welcome. Come in, man. How's your trip? Hey, Casey. This one you didn't tell us you're coming.
Our wife?
Oh, yes.
Oh my God.
Big dear, you remember my cousin Kene, right?
Kene, you're welcome. How must I remember him?
Wow, you look so beautiful.
Thank you.
You don't look like a student at all.
Thank you. You came to see us.
Oh yes, I came to spend a couple of days with my big sis. I didn't know you were here. I hope you don't mind I too.
Oh, this is your house. You're welcome here any day or any time.
So says the queen. Thanks a lot, Your Majesty.
Naughty boy.
Guess you already know the house, so make yourself comfortable.
Let me just freshen up.
Okay.
I'll come join you guys.
Nice one. I love this your bag when you give it to me.
You want to talk to you? What?
My cousin is such a clown.
Hi there. Be careful.
Thank you.
She looks so beautiful today.
Thank you.
guys. What's up?
Sis.
Kenchiko, there's something you must do. There's a portrait of my brother in my room. He actually sent some pictures via email to my email, and I selected these two very, very cute pictures. So please go to my room and get it.
Are you serious?
ASAP as soon as possible.
Oh.
Let me have some of your juice. Babes, what's up? You good? You're looking all beautiful.
This is beautiful.
Very, very beautiful. Oh, see someone is in love already.
Let me close it.
Sure. No, please, I want you to face the wife, you know. Keep looking at her, smiling.
This is wonderful.
Awesome, yeah? Good stuff.
So, big sis, what are you off to?
Oh, yes, I have an emergency business trip in Abuja, and I have to go meet the client today. I'm filming today.
And how long are you gone for?
Say 3 days. 3 whole days. And you're leaving me alone in this big building. How do you mean? Kenya is here. Oh, Kenya, you'll be here till I come back, right?
Of course, I'm here.
He's gonna take care of everything here. Okay? You know what? Okay, I'm so sorry. I didn't plan to leave, but I just have to do it. Business. Please, I'm so sorry.
Oh, it's okay. Do have a safe trip.
I sure will. And you, Kenya, please. I don't want to hear any complaint that you made her angry with me.
Big sis, you have to trust me on that.
I trust you, my brother. So you're gonna have to take this to the comfort room.
I'll miss you.
Oh my God, I'm so sorry. Oh, don't miss you, darling. Just keep being beautiful, okay? And keep looking at your hubby.
How shall you come back?
Okay, darling. Okay.
Don't worry, I'm doing it to you right now.
Who's there?
Hey,
Kenny, what are you doing here?
am I intruding? Actually, I checked and you were the sitting room. You weren't there.
Why?
Just want to have a chat with you. I felt bored in your bedroom. I needed your company.
I was actually feeling very sleepy.
Oh, I see. You have a nice room. What's this?
Lip gloss.
Lip gloss. Nice. So, the dress is good on you. I mean, sexy.
Thanks, Kenny, but I don't think you should.
Is this how you spend the night all alone in this room all these years?
Why do you ask?
What do you mean why I'm asking? You're supposed to be married. I mean, which man in his right senses will leave a very beautiful and sexy girl like you alone for years? I wouldn't blame you if you break your marriage vow due to loneliness.
Can I stop it? Please, don't say such abominable things in my room.
What do you mean abominable? Look, so many women out there, they do it. Even those that their husbands warm their beds on daily basis, let alone someone like you.
Enough of this, Kenny. Please, I don't think it's proper for you to discuss such matters in my room, please.
Oh, come on, Chidera, what's wrong with that? We are 2 grown adults. We shouldn't be ashamed to discuss matters that affect our feelings and personal urge.
Kenny, I beg you in God's name, stop it. Leave my room, I'll see you in the morning. I need to sleep. Can you please leave?
Okay. Girls, they don't shout.
Just get out!
I'll be in my room.
Something. I don't like what you did last night.
What's that again?
I don't like the way you barged into my room to discuss about my sex life.
Oh, come on. Snap out of that, babe. I did that because you need it. You need to talk it over. It's not good to die in silence.
And when have I ever complained to you?
That is because you lack the courage to do that. I can understand perfectly the shame of discussing such a thing with someone else. But I'm not just anyone else. I am a guy that cares. A guy that cares so much about you. I feel for you, and you know it.
Enough. Shut your mouth.
No, we're not done. You raised it up. And I mean it when I said I won't blame you if you go out when you try to get sexual satisfaction out there, elsewhere. Because my cousin isn't getting it right.
Kenny, I will not have this conversation with you, okay?
Listen, you started it all. Let's trash it out once and for all. Okay?
This is the last time you ever raise such topic, okay? I don't want to have this discussion with you anymore.
It's better you come, let's finish it now. Once and for all. You want to play games with me?
Kenny, food is ready. Come to the table. What do you mean you're not hungry? You've not had anything since morning. Kenny, why are you like this? It's been 2 days now, and you've refused to talk to me. And now you don't even want to eat the food I prepared for you.
Now you care.
What do you mean, now I care? I've always cared about you.
No, you have always seen me as a nuisance. And now you are interfering into my personal life and I don't like it. Whether I eat or not is none of your business. Just like I shouldn't interfere into your private life.
Oh, so it's all about that.
It has always been about that. You're here to talk matters that affects us.
Us?
Yes. Look, Odera. I care about you so much. I can't hide my feelings anymore. I love you.
What in God's name are you talking about? I am a married woman. Married.
And where is your husband? Yes. You and I know that you need a man more than every other thing now. And I'm here for you. Just give.
What are you doing? Stay away from me!
You don't have to resist me now. Okay?
I can't believe that you're trying to force yourself on me. See, I'm going to the police station. I'm going to report you.
Let you there.
Then watch me do that. What is going on here? What is going on here? Thank God you are back. Can you believe Kene tried to force himself on me? What? Is that true?
That's how I guess.
Liar! You can't believe that Kene has been trying to seduce me ever since you left this house. And now Kene just tried to force himself on me. See, I don't know why we're talking about this. Please, let's just go to the police station. Come
I am not letting you do that. There's no police that can come into this house. No.
What are you talking about? Like, are you trying to support what he just did?
Okay, let me just break this down, okay? I guess he did that because he feels for you. The distance my brother has created is not okay with me, alright? And trust me, I wouldn't blame you if you seek sexual satisfaction elsewhere, especially with Kene. My cousin is more like a brother.
I can't believe you're saying what you just said.
I just did. And you can take my word for it. Look, Kene is a handsome young man. And I'm very sure he can satisfy you very well. So, you know what? Okay, you know what? I promise you, none of this word is going to reach home. Trust me on that.
You guys are unbelievable.
The distance my brother has created is not okay with me, alright? And trust me, I wouldn't blame you if you seek sexual satisfaction elsewhere, especially with Kene. My cousin is more like a brother.
Chidera, my dear wife. It will not be wise for us to start making a mountain out of a molehill. It is not right for somebody to start running when nothing is actually pursuing the person. As far as I'm concerned, this issue is so minor that both of you would have resolved. Then what? Like I was saying, this issue is so minor that both of you would have resolved without attracting our attention. And I am saying that you, Kenneth, and you, both of you, should go and resolve this amicably. You go and practically settle the matter. But I must warn, let no ear hear about it. Do you understand me?
Uncle, thank you very much. Thank you.
Uncle.
Huh?
You don't get it, do you? I said Kenechukwu tried to force himself on me.
We heard you loud and clear. And that is what we've just resolved here now. What else do you want us to do?
Mother. Resolved what? This is a very serious issue. I don't understand why you people are taking it so lightly.
So we should kill him, right? I would say...
Can he try to rape me? Oh, please! Please! Enough!
Uncle and mother have explained this thing. They have made their points. What is there to understand? Okay, fine. Okay, no problems. If you do not understand, I will make you understand. Let's just go upstairs and have a woman-to-woman talk. Then I'll explain more. Very simple.
I know you will understand me. Try and understand how. When she explains to you.
Let's go upstairs, let me explain it to you.
Uncle, Kenny tried to rape me.
Are you deaf? I said let us go upstairs so that I can explain things to you. Why are you disturbing my uncle and mother? Why? Why are you stressing them?
Wait, I am coming. You said Kenneth tried to rape you. Tried to. It is not a difficult thing to handle. Listen to me. Both of you should go and settle it practically. So you will be satisfied, he will be. Then that is the settlement. So what if did you have on there? You use that on
Hey! Because I will use every means to get you down. Don't try me. Don't dare.
Sophia. In fact, Papa, I don't want anything to do with this family anymore. That is your car key. As soon as I get home, I'll pack the rest of my belongings and bring it to you. Anything your brother or your family has ever gotten for me. Make a list so I won't make a mistake. Papa, I don't want to be in this house any longer. Let's go.
Let's go. This is a wicked family.
You are wicked.
You people have missed heaven. You will never miss hell.
You are wicked.
You are wicked. This is a wicked family. You will not do I will not do This is a wicked family. We are not. You will go to hell before us. We have not missed heaven.
Uncle, don't stress yourself.
What can you imagine?
I will handle it. Sit down. I will handle it. Mama, why are you crying? Why are you crying?
What do we do? What do we do?
It's okay.
What do we do?
Okay.
Oh, please come back. Oh.
Every blocked ears must surely end up in the hole, because you will be told not to follow this path, and you won't listen. Look at your life. I told you that you called me old woman. You called me old school. Your father called me analog woman. Oh, now talking. Now you're going out talking. Onyeka gave out of his little any. He bought you from. He paid your school fees. Greed! And you to shock you finally. Onyeka proposed to Onyinye. Now she will be completing her nursing school in America. Obodoyibo. Something you left and it slipped from your hand. Chidera, look at your life. Look at what you've done to yourself because of greed. You are here crying. I will not do that. Very soon, very soon you'll be shedding tears, you'll be shedding blood. Nonsense. Nonsense.
Oh God, what have I done to myself? I want to wake up. Danny, good morning.
Morning, madam. This one you came here this morning. I hope all is well.
Danny, all is not well. I have made a very grievous mistake in my life. And I came to ask Onyeka to please forgive me.
There's nothing I will not see in this world. So you have the guts to walk into this compound to look for my uncle Onyeka. Eh? Anyway, I see you haven't heard. For your information, Onyeka, Onyinye, Chiamaka, and Udoka have all gone to America. See, looking for Onyeka here has no meaning. It makes no difference at all. Because as we speak right now, Onyeka has proposed to Onyinye and they are getting married soon in America. Mistake maker. Sorry, oh. Sorry, Nne.
Oh God. I should have known. I should have known that the one you have is worth more than $1 million. What have I done to myself?
Mistake maker. Sorry, Onyinye. Sorry. Are you crying? Please, I don't want you to stay here and cry. As you can see, I'm going out. If you want to cry, go to your father's house. Or you go to Sophia's house and cry. Not here. Now you know. The one you have is better than the one you don't have. Now you know. I hope you will learn from your mistakes.
because of money. Don't marry because of money.
What will you get when you call the finger that feed you? Why will you say your love because of money?
What are you doing here? What are you doing here? You are our wife. And you are supposed to be in your husband's house.
Says who? Says who? Eh? I don't understand. No. Papa, is anybody standing here? See, I am not married to you or anyone else. What is it? You should leave me alone. I have returned everything you people have given to me. What do you want again now? Please, you people can now leave.
Are you asking us to leave?
Did I put water in my mouth to say it?
She is no more interested. I will pay you back your money to the last farthing.
Ngwano, uncle, let us leave.
Let's go. Yo, go.
They can just come here and shout, then I'll be shivering. I have made a grievous mistake. The whole community is talking about me. They are all calling me names. Everyone now knows me as the girl that married a ghost husband.
My daughter, you don't need to bother. It's a matter of months now. Everything I'll go for a gaga.
Stop it, Papa. You caused all these problems for me. You're a very wicked father. You pushed me into this because of your greed. I knew you hated me, but I never thought that it was this much, Papa. Why?
When you tell the ear and it doesn't hear, when you cut off the head, it goes with it. Wow. You want to reach husband? Then, nobody will do you.
What you've done to yourself.
Search everywhere and bring her out! Bring her out! Search where? What rubbish? What is it?
Oh, gentlemen! So you brought in the police to arrest my innocent daughter, isn't it?
Are you still standing there? I said go inside and search everywhere. Papa, you won't stop them, eh?
It's alright.
You won't stop them.
Don't worry, we shall see the winner. We shall see the winner. Because I don't have money. Oh, it's alright. We shall see.
No, you don't know me.
We shall see. I don't have money.
Okay.
We shall see the winner by how much? Jezebel. It's alright.
Did you find her? Where is she?
Did not see anybody. Did you check everywhere?
I checked everywhere.
Ha! Okay, let's wait for the other one. Did you see her?
I have searched everywhere. I can't find anything.
I said you should look for every nook and cranny of this house. I don't want to go into that house. Bring her out.
There's a dead body at the backyard.
Dead what?
Could she be the one you're looking for?
Oh yeah, don't worry. Hey! Where is she? Where is she? Where is she?
Come listen, I saw it.
Where is she?
Follow me this way.
Hey! Oh, that's it then! Hey!
It's a poisonous substance.
Huh?
I'm sorry. She is dead.
When you call your finger that feed you, why will you say your love because of money?
Life not cha-cha, life not cha-cha, life not cha-cha, life not cha-cha. If you get money, money's not everything. If you get money, money's not everything.
Money's not everything.
Don't marry because of money. Don't marry because of money. Some people say money answers all things.
Money can destroy you, can destroy your marriage. Don't marry because of money. Yeah. Don't marry because of material things.
Don't marry because of money. Don't marry because of money.
Don't forget the person that is there for you when you are in difficulties. Remember the one that loved you when you have nobody by your side. Don't allow money to take away your happiness. Don't allow money to betray you, one that love you. Remember, he sacrificed for you. everything he had.
Don't marry because of money. Don't marry because of money.